if say okay ade no de bi adru ne ehun hwe nye yi enti driver ni bi a wosi Accra road a already car no enye durable for such long distance no enti ko 50 km per hour driver ni bi oni obey sa ade no Accra road 50 km per hour wontimi nye onye say John de tie ni hwe matwi car me nka say me we experience change obi akuzo obi wa watwi car 40 50 years me ma for Accra road over 15 years asidan kanya me ene me akasa some experience me nya akwanhia bia but say John de tie ni akwantuo mu akwanhia no sometimes the durability of the car also accounted. There has been instances driver no timi bo careless and I say bia obi kura de carelessness e be share driver no but because of the car no e save unipa. Sister John okay ya you see ubetimi apply brakes up to the car no so be respond to osa pedal no and I say all respond ubetia brake na eko so ubetimi abustia ebetimi de afa baby foforo. It is a car young building for long distance say e could do level bi na or say a reactive to near bia because of say ya alteration ne system no emfa no ntino it will not react enye because ye ene dia be she bi and echo long distance echo speed
and especially my for you can say we share bi na o hwe loader
yes
a wedger
yes
a deviate from that family
absolutely
purpose
na the building say John wonim say family co picnic o metimi afa niema
no but
it could be
o hwe niema
yes but because of the commercial use you know
yes
and na amasa de no aba enti o hwe report no aba no ne abrofo no omo build manufacturers of the car no asem omo kan say car no kwan fa so use no Ghana say no wrong but say John the tie I didn't dey nya ba wie me kon be den pa because there was 7,000 owners meboa yen fan say out of the 7,000 ekra no be 5,000 ekwan so out of the 5,000 yen fan say be 4,500 commercial commercial no let's say maybe your approximations keke meaning and a hypothesis meaning say your commercial driver is 4,500 your constituency and now say
yes but also free baby most of them also use
your constituency politician here has a constituency until now they are going to present their case very beautifully. Okay, honorable we say mobe maya no aduane aboye ye nipa 4,500
okay
ye share abusuafo dependents nkwa na egu yeso no eye bia be twice our numbers. It is uma ma ye kwan me ya nye long journey anko ye adwuma ye betu atia and you can assure you say if nipa be 10,000 ye betu atia
it is expected
politician no debi obelu 10,000 position debi I don't. I'm coming back to Senepa.
Okay.
She should.
Right.
Thank you.
That's it. Now, she Facebook 87.9. It be more registration or more number plate private. Or on the commercial. Remove the normal register commercial. Or by Facebook page who cast me any. Of a TV. Oh, man. Of a so bedding comedy. Over.
Hello.
Madaroma, what video no, Manenko from Kakamamena. Yentimi Ninkumo. Yes.
Hello, Martin.
Over me also.
And for me, very interesting. I'm saying a plethora of species in time past. Okay, 207. Okay.
Me kaipa.
Good. Any other vehicles a buyer, a causal accident or ya consumming I'm saying, Yentini and Yahoo because say cars na if out. No even say make a very good point. But for me, we don't need to critique who's in as opposed to change the and we give you some more experts or more 18 years a bit more function so that also can hear a function. But we will make a good point to be said. You know, with the good kind of money, any kind of purpose. You did design car, no, you have a family car, and you don't expect to be about 60 kilometers or sale. A home was a as a mine, a bank, a teenager, this is so. In the worst case scenario, why can't we restrict them? That can a bit my yajuma ko gabbing a grosso. Would have been kuna a been baby, and I'm a boy.
Of my promise, Macaron.
Mampon. So the mission. No, Luga, I was omitting again, a faco. Because family can, no, Yana, say, a gusono. Say, no, and your family no. No, correct. Because cats you are. So you do now or high, a certain level of speed here. Cano, with your friends, and stability and to say originally, no, or design in the beginning. And you know, also, your first time now. Only your greatest challenge, and you have one a bear force of Emerano. You know, my pussy for you. You didn't know you come on. Kakabi, you know, young baby, the diablo. I know between share function or council. No, I can't say, many channel. I don't. Which is because of the new channel. This is about Pabina over council.
Emilo, Emanona on council.
And you know, begin a compromise. And so, Opetiano, number 28, difficult. Can't you know over there?
Over another thing is that Posiphony be so our car CB and Namquas way, Jumamo.
I don't think I may catch on that you're going to say, or can it be I know it won't yet. The enforcement, you know, is a big challenge for us. The law enforcers on any union approach for them. So, no, a whole any the issue. Only a fine proactive. So, no, we have union pradia for our cause problems. We will be a pradia from 2015 on Fanto Amlamukada. We should be doing what coming. Then the driver's attitude. Any or more comfort driver. And also, I was here and also. Major run the anymore. Pragbit in book of the time in the restaurant. As local could say, we should do her or book of Bokono a day. No, works you will be a normal car or the manima. Can't say, I can't carry bomb a day. I can't from. Says a woman to come through. Says a woman in doing. Then, thirdly, wow, what track in your two quite and I'll pay the conjunction for idea. We sunny free. Baby, and SCG for base station, ever for more. But I could free a lot about him who grew Cavros, Tokyo, who kept the family and many penny, right? No. You put it to my COVID with Cassavin. One to me would be encouraged.
I see.
It won't challenges that you won't do.
Pam.
Yes, one of us came from going here. Did I go? Simply, what will never see from her.
Who's enforcement no na.
That is the challenge.
Enforcement in a better challenge, yeah.
So you better to see Mukranua because it will be a great investment or a minimum. Minimum and maybe a organ has it to convert the car into your passenger car. Minimum and maybe was at the minimum. But if there is a law, as a change the car from left to right and right to left, once you find your commercial purposes, we have to enforce that law. I think I'm a kind of equally been to myself. I am right, I am right. So maybe they'll convert the car from left to right and now right to left. We need to find commercial purposes. They know, yes, I said. Because this is a little bit also. There could be so no more do credit. It will mess. photo.
Oh, it's unfortunate. Me phone now no hamadwe na maclear. Me
didn't
achi.
Say back welcome. I can't expect from what comes here. You put it as one cabe. Military.
Voxia.
Minam can be so. Now almost take count and say you trouble them almost almost.
Minim say be a woman sa a sprinter no dey no me the same sales there minimum there.
And one almost
the same a year.
No fast. Kwakwa papa yi o mampon. We free a friend say ninti ho. Ninti ye overtaking bi ho. Aso mo kan e no go think ko speed.
Omo di cars ni di.
But me obeya je na saka ho. There's a checkpoint there. We do put in kan nchero.
Na Milos 18
Oh, here share your push for. One more and check one because kakra bi na ba be from no. Wo go money market.
A good point. And
a challenge. Yes, enforcement.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
Yeah. That's right. Inti Ibrahim Sobe can say, is it the another be according the free how entry? Nedi head, Hobbit he chubby you. Ibrahim say, Ibrahim.
Yes, John. Good morning. Yeah. It's here for Mechia Papa, Reverend.
Yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Otimi joining moi.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ebesi ni chiana e kra no kra nti Sir John Voxi kan no asem. Menjin di say yesim entimi nko long distance per se because even Toyota Vitz ni Kia Picanto Crown it me drive from Accra ba it me go back enti the aspect of long distance ni dey eno eda ho however commercial purpose no ema o abuse kan no ene na ho dey no because so we use no for commercial purpose na a long distance a day no because of sales nipa na otoy na dey ama o say o hia free one a day one hwa nipa no driver no be praise o be call 3 or 4 times
Me the way come kwame ebo na ma me this information say almost sales cry higher than sprinter ne.
Can you imagine
Sion cars no
e put pressure on both the driver and the car no so enti there say for long distance commercial for now no ye the BB to so na ye ba na and them for so because and they can my because you can say family car because we share na recommendation na you say for family car the fact says family car interested in me call long distance because Sir John say me o can be na me family call Tamale metime dey akọ a long distance
sure
ye kon kan metime akọ me call bolga metime akọ however say even me call bakura return journey once anti pressure near minimal than say we use for commercial no
yes and the pressure and what driver for say
or 3-4 times because of meet sales anti pressure and a can no what any engine capacity near you na honestly it's not built for long distance commercial then the long distance commercial no be na dey no be kwa Accra once aba na dey aka no be internal and anka pressure be enim but say we be kwa Accra aba na enim say see akwan ne you have to spend more hours on this road now opese we call 3 times and 4 times a day say don't why imagine the pressure on you the driver unya time and rest and the pressure on the vehicle and you see sometimes in so I almost say can the fact say brony here can why speed limit na could do and find say 220 240 say chinchina obetima cause 240 only Land Cruiser ma how dey here pay only even Toyota Camry because do ye hwe kan no nimu do na because car bi o ko speed no na wo do 100 na wo twem 100 na face adu emu aya ha to the extent say bibi kitwe bi cross no na enya contactor ebe muamua enti speed no na akwozo sa no ma we na omutwi no na nkasa jo no omhye ase ye de bai na omutwi ni sebi o ye twi ni nyansem nkoso accident a minjin di se anka authorities kra ni beba ho se we see obi kofru voxi so obi konkran na okasa okofru voxi na obusa ni de enti na okofra onka comfortability obeka say edimi bedru ntem. The same applies to sa Toyota Hiace na ebe enye kan no na nipa no se nipa no nso no ompese wo be satra wa adwena ende e wo say implement ade e be affect you. That is the bottom line.
So if say ban the air bar one long distance yenye issue but commercial aspect no.
Exactly. Na ya mamu de aye yenka say
commercial and long distance.
No why any intracity. Yen fan say Kumasi kra to Mampo emu akakra but na nke ne de ubetimi de akọ aba. Kumasi to Konongo kra no eye won
Kumasi to Tepa.
Those ones na yes ade no eno o ye Kumasi to Mampo ani interest say John Chinchina also concransa no winyiska.
Right.
Enti ye hu sa no ma no yenka say obi investment enhye. But say ye protect investment no e was say protect lives.
That's
because who protect investment na e lose lives ana say John ye koya na say
unfortunately no ye obi no mo a omo ye public officers are ebi mo so ye politicians are appoint to offices from now yenye policies ye implementing. Unfortunately, some of them they okay, the otherwise. Omono edwene investment.
Any day.
I am telling you that from Enrana this report, but even Enrana report me here ready no. There are people who try every means possible then come back block it. Reporting from even coming out.
Oh, you're doing reporting.
Buy a crown of free sabre ya kon koma ye dinina no man for the so omo lobby. Let's do it this way. But enkwano e ade a
yen betina han say obi business.
No.
But yen protecting lives. Okay. But they don't we live in a country so you be kasa kama you see the mraba na say 207 ne ambra bebre o ye de buy at a point career no ye see ye afi ye sha say gidi afi na ye be sha say gidi after few months na ya ba echi.
Okay, so let's monitor
how to use it for your commercial but at the same time you make sure say we protect lives, which is very important. Say you won't say lives, na long distance commercial, na yet so I know intracity.
Kusi Benjamin say, good morning, Sir John, on Facebook. I say, please let me remind you that no car is meant for Ghana routes. Let's talk about it very carefully. Okay. And also, I'm sure say Naivan say Japan for no say Oman for Visa. Yeah.
London for no because we know say right hand.
Okay, so that is that. Emmanuel Kumasi, good morning, Sir John. Please, who registered the Voxy for transportation? Who authorized it? The country called Ghana. Safo aya jumebi. Mamene Safo ni nkomo. We are na yaba. Felix Kwakuche so grandpa message no ha mekan. Safo.
Sergio.
Na bibi abako there.
Ajena do mu ye pa.
Very good. Why Juma on this Voxy ne? How omu Juma this? You better share with us. Our videos no how be show. E dey na wo dey kan ye nkomo ye ho ne wankasa nso niema wa ye ofam nkomo a wadi ofam.
Okay, Sergio, meda wase na manda ye chief one afefo so wase. Won say niema we sha say e ba na kan no enya nkwanhia no. Amanfo sha say omo do omo adwen kire e ba bonten. Enti answer na mpanimfo do omo sa be hye marase amana enra no. Ye Akoma for de na say ye tile twanamo atieti de nkofo eka omadwe nkyere ene se de omo se ni se de hye no kwan fa so ye adwuma. Titu eba ehye no mu di a e de ni ebi se hye no na ho won ti sia na ti sei. Ti na mpanimfo akwatena sia omo hye omo mra. Ma se ye ba omo asa da de ne be ka mu ye pa ne ọmụ ọmụ n'omusi ka kwụsị adwuma no ala ọmụ ọmụ atọ hyɛn no ama ɛyɛ ahyɛnkafo sɛ ɔmụ kwan nyɛ adwuma so adwuma no sɛ a week ebi yɛ 3,000 4,000 a week ebi yɛ 3,000
Ghana cedis a week
ɛno yɛ amuna obi tena kaa mu wɔsi obi sɛ ɔmɛ gyi bi de wɔnyɛ a 800 Ghana 8 million.
That could be 800 cities.
And one interview be a me one guy be here. No so if you bossy and abba. No person in the back man. We do them man. So bodu if you can seven. So my boo. You see me basis be 5 million 6 million a day. We should look at my win pa kai fen pa be and so. A better in my we join the manicum. The person is asking the people. Because I say any power or said any pa air corner. A better game. It means that na mo na kire se sika ye twa to so amom no e dɔɔso omo ntimi no so eso woye omo ntimi eto bia wo dibi achi a dise nimia hyenkani ba ko na bɔ no so abɛn so kaa na wo kan na no wo di we ba bi
nti driver ni no dwene sika ho nya mpa no dɔ mo nam no ɔno ɔdwene ho sɛ ɔde kɔ no aba no atima meeting sales daily sales
wo je bi so da kɔhwɛ efie enti wo bɛyɛ 3,000 4,000 no so when time na week now na abɛyɛ ka adanim anya ba kwa me kɔyɛ interview e wo so for lie abrante no say on the week no when time entua sa 3,000 no ti adwuma wa so fa ka ne so and wo pa to say on fan channel when you problem kakra bi ntio one chain adamant say ni no zu we kwa want you
yes that for now omo ti ka ne na wo mo control ni ma wo mo pressure do omo so
ana say John say the car
obeden kono no mo ne ma bi say the be ya obetima sustain no na
ana say John anyway we wi abo interview no mo aka lu boys na nkasa no mo no we wi abo interview no mo ntie say obese boys bi no mo ne ma say be ya omo na no metimi akwa bantem ana car no say the let's say car na car no fe no isi wona o boys no so tuma but in friendly meaning the say odiliga girlfriend no so the be you it was a bad no kwa na twu say that we panu pa na ni fi pa say we kika nbie
observation a me susuma ye nra na me catch Evans ne na mba bi na me Evans na me catch
so say enti ama pressure da omo so enti we na eba na bi sa omo skill say we dey ebo kese to so e na pressure be da so ma ni ma sisi yi no isi a esi yi ke so mpa fo timi hye amamu kran so jo wan ana aboka ebi eni pa na osifo obi na ka ahofuro ba so sika de akwaku wemu den
number 2 passengers no so sen so mo na ya mo so na ye be contempt ye pen sa
ka ne be contempt bi dingo mo no say ofi Cape Coast na be Kumasi obedi Kumasi a we say on sa kokko ya ade bi to ka ne dia eboa we mo wutimu dia ya na mo nko musuro we mo wunya experience driver dia obri be kwa aba experience driver no woni wa ya kwa njo mo ni
oni hwan
and I say you also kaka so the car no ka atans no nya ngwa na wo ka eso bi se ka bi ma o by mistake you know eso bi so go baby na the na dwunu mu ate a ono so no ba ndi o hese ni nko ade no wo ka dia e sia na asi ti say you have something to say aka aswe no ye mu bi adwuma na se dodo na na ehu a enka bi ka na hwo so ka no so asin tontoro e sai kura wuntimi fa bi ti say yo e yen say me
Martiminia Safo yedase for that update we ye efemfo nkomo de Safo akofam no wakoti eno abese yen enti we ma hyew me boa 3,000 Ghana cedis a week. Pressure be ban so e beje to okwaba dey no be so okwaba 3 or 4. Oh no. Okay. And you was Yakon.
So John,
me sure said they also me just the opposite TB to inform you. What you? What you? You must say.
So John, asamba kuna na mpese mbusa. Ka
87.9.
ka o. Isi ho a enya kwanhia.
Isi ho a eno anya. Jiso bi de bebom.
Nti nipa na wo a wo te ka ni mu no. A wo control hyen no. Nti ade me sa back ebegyina say na IB ka say only problem with long distance no. Of course, because obi ebe fa ne say or no any private car or be too kwan any ade. Nti eno nso e ho de ni mini problem. Nemum mi problem ne say e hyen na anka say esi ho no. Enya ade a eno esi ho a e ma akwanhia. Nemum nipa na wo betene mu no. Kwan a ofa so a control hyen no. Ene de me ba bi a nei ya de aba beduru say ebi mu ye sales 3,000 4,000 so the pressure beto nipa no a wo betra car no emu no a wo be control hyen no enti imagine say
na African world kromo ye sales African world
you see enti nipa na wo betra car dim no ono ano in the first place no pressure won so enti onye comfortable kwa obefa so ebetwi hyen because say don unim cars a ye wo mamu a dodo na say o mamu akra de enye ka wa apart from kantanka nso cars mi hu bi a
say ka say be asambo bi wa ha
enti cars a ye twi wo mamu nyina na efi obi ma so na ba but you know say cars ni bebre wo ho a eye commercial sa PGO a o mo de over bebre wo a na ye nifa no masesa na ba ye benkum cars ni bebre a commercial abe benkum a na ye nifa ni nyina egu ha ye de fa nipa e wo ekromu a but dem person oti azen nipa no a wono abetra card nim no because of pressure e won so any nyoma ono anka se o fa car no se ne safo kan ebi ma no num bibi ene ade a odi twihye ne ntin ene de sa problem we nyina ye dey eba ba car na anka se esuo ne nka onye bone o ono anka se de onye bone mum nipa na wa betre mu no esu ne ba no ekuta na odi control car no or pentamti no obe wrong overtaking or on person obeda no akonum bibi because pressure won so person meeting the target meeting the target enti me me can say the law enforcement agencies no yenhwe na yen regulate omuyi say ye maka ne nko long journey at least ne intra no ye betumi aye ne yen confine mu to sa level no say be a pressure emom so na fe car owners no so sales no emna for more
8,000
because o car no ebi 57 ebi mu 10 ne ade a minini class ebi 10
331
you see
say you know 6 e wachiri and 1 front
you see enti any kwase uma driver no pressure say o ebi awakoto car ni say enti no you want to meet your sales and as your target na do o person meeting enti no now the pressure beto driver no so ti yes car owners no so omonso nwen passengers no ho driver na no car no yenwen no ti say regulate omo sa afi ebe boa ma pressure na do omo so no aba from no omo so how omo ho bebre say they want to meet their target ni ade because cars ni dey we dey a bebre wo system ni mu a eye nifa abe benkum se kofa no be kan eno nya yastic but ye do no ba mu a ene na cars bebre wo a e wo say flash your out
enti no
kamunya ayi ataban de manual na kom de ma pilot nanka e de akoka African world hu okuma say yes a prempe the first international airport na two
okay ayi sikapase say we've had few accidents reported at our office and the testing officers report has one trend: steering rack. One critical issue with steering conversion is the alteration of the steering rack. When the rack is repositioned during the conversion process, the internal oil lines are often disrupted. This leads to leakage of the hydraulic fluid. Okay.
on country.
There is a technical terms of here. And you know, also once the fluid is drained, the steering rack becomes dry and eventually fails. And you know, can you say, post for any security for no more report on year. Do no a year. Accident is no more technical report near there. A bar. Steering rack na yana. Now somebody says, what's the Sunday free ni fa ko benkuma? Bibia sesa nti no oil no flow ne ade nyina no ho ka nti enche na asan afiri mu
asem ni nyina ba ko Voxy enye long distance enye Accra road car enye taman unu se bi ko tamale meyi tamale for me fugui Voxy na de bai on di pan try no de ma Voxy kan Sejon any 7 hours since I was cried out,
Gofidela say what you just read is very true. It even affects the braking system. Enti yano chese ne o say ye buapayo zo okruma pa. Buapayo okruma pa. Enti za report ya no mo ye. Mebo sa report sa ya o mo ye. Jomo ya hwan o mo dey inform den. Because you see, say report ne ba ne ekikabo mu ana. E was a policy bi wo ho a. Ye dey ma policy makers ne say ade wey munye ne say ansakra na ye kra report it. Tia fire ya fire ehu bi da. Ebeba eguso ebeba eguso ne yete ho sa hwebuada. Anyway, production see emfa course kakra. Mbajo oba no aye ne tawdi amame. O se bia o ye Voxy driver ibi. O ye bi. Onso so sales a wo ye no. No aka kire ye car owner Voxy owner adenti na wa nkasa kra no wo so be ma obi aye ai ana we passenger so a wo so betimi any edi enkomo number says 03224 98035 0243114497 03224 98035 0243114497 na mpacho ebasa so a na wakai say we aka ho bi tina si atwimo gyan kan kwanhia ka ho bi tina si nyina ya matwimo gyan fa ntiri fa ma no che teaching hospital blood bank nti Akoma FM nyame adom on the 18th and ye dis adwuma we animu bra na matwimo gyan ebebo anso ama anso kra wanya opportunity screening bi ekoso bi aya ye bi di amount why pacho ye man na grow fine for ase omo ekra yi mu the draw will grow very, very fine. 0244596532. And I can come with this side, but y'all can come. No. We hear chemical beer for Jumadi, Fudi, and the best you run, a best in the year. I'm also so at Timako and Mamo Jumadi would be a cost of Kamakama. You can come with this side. 024651 9012 024651 9012. But what is so sad? Angel Rock Mission also. Ubenya bi. Why? Usisi. Now for no ya na sa o. Na obi a ya ma no sa ayi na yeso won koye. Otrim de no on home on na. Maybe the sisi sa nti wo de be ma. We also per rock ni bi why. Ura pharmaceutical po a. He ba shop o gibi e be bo a. Na watimi akọ long journey aba be dru kama. Na ma watinka kofam no so bo modern. So benya bi e be bo a. Oba o ye opemfo a yes, open for anyone ma front of no. But you also no. And you can say unum be. Your open for Oma front for. But you also men ko home. 0244 186612. Open the door to one of friend number 0244 832286. But you ain't come on. I didn't tell them here. Good morning.
Good morning.
But you didn't be a case free.
No, not a book of talking.
No, Mixer for no, I didn't come on.
So, what's my work here? You can't say, somewhere, the Nippon or an idea. It will be a bit too dear. I know a kind of a coming column to me. Try what you say. Now, do the local to come up as I feel, what the car to go. So, the car everywhere are there. I feel the same. Because, because the things are almost penetrating. The same, so my own, the same 12,000. I feel like 14,000 for 400. A car around 44,000. What the car? Can I this time? No, a kind of deal. 120,000, 140, 150. Not to say, I should be better. I don't, you don't. I do the feeling that from massive people. Massive people. You have to run a basic and say, I didn't know I was 8 hours level. Hey, so this one I would tell my brother, so no one can see the issue. No one I would turn something was you to come.
Thank you. Good morning. Yes, Minia Akins, young Queen.
Making of $30. I was watching over that. Kaka, I can't for me. You register the car, no, and the car will be to private car. Many might be again correct. They said, no, the clipper won't pan in your back. Government near what is here, maybe. In the case, you got to car. They go, you see, and there is what I can't find the money now. After they pay their deal, a car. Because they go. That mean now, this is always not a car. What is the to be license in that pool? Yes, she said, we're going to taxi for the Cabono. Taxi drivers in a swat. This is government. You play now, what will you mobile for the Romo airport and the airport is Sakano? Sakano, government snake Sakano. Oh, what will experience Akasaka will be shot. I'm not going to say you still snap that good. And no, send the money away. Yes, I can't know. They go, you should be beer to a time going to go over the ground. When we are seeing government, they go, yeah, the dead work.
But that's Minia, young for good morning.
Good morning, young.
Yes, sir.
If I'm a college, I'm going to get attention.
Akoma means you.
So, you're a veteran for the Momo Monday. A veteran, but I'm going to say, can't call this Santa. Maybe a year. Kumasi to the quiet money of money or function on the kind of moment. And I say, you car for enough for the didn't tell the papa. Says you want to cars and then my brother told me if you cars now to cars and to my brother know me to go along. You won't go Chicada or Potocana, or the Kana man. The best something was so moving. Then we go how we put my hacker, no engineers, Kumano, and Famama.
Thank you. We are to so. But to wait, 03224 98035 0243 114497. Good morning.
The only say on radio.
I was here. We are taxi driver. Uncle to your phone.
And I said, Lamin to the crowd say, I don't say, you have a band, you have a band. They will band in ye. Na almost can say something say will be at the way 1.8 billion Akotoka. Don't see you say to 2,000 a week. Now, to me, I ain't next time for this kind of Koyajuma. Na Lana more canon. Now, when you say Praga, a community papa, and money paper, I don't know. When I was a check coming, and some I have a voice, no, that was in the say, I go for say.
Okay. 0322498035 0243114497. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, all right, Mami Fabio. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, John.
Yes, sir.
Number 1
Yamia Dominia.
I remember what you
Nana Mamintio.
Many of you power. That was you. I don't know when you say, can we be sound or consular? Because of the jet, you them. So, that was not a use to come and get a particular movie free. Carry Kanaka wasn't a binder. Carry me to but that was the Kutakan. And the mass I be and penetration the band. You just be in the Nia Gasami baby and woman, that's why I say I'm no cat of the beer. If you begin to be able to see the video become one of the baby and you can answer more magazine. Unisha.
Me that say, and yeah, na mama share my na my hojuma. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho dini baby akase free.
Kaja mpacho ya phone o kasi madam kasa free adinasa.
Udini ya saying?
Ya phone o kasi madam.
Ah, one night, young quay.
Kaja what number you be so? Enti ka no abidura ya na badia isi na omodana no. Eba other side no. I fit a phone na yes adwuma na nase no ntiase. Ebi na entry and the phone check about so you oh. Ebi ase fit a phone no ya o yes adwuma na entry enko ma ya create accident na ni. Do ada ma ya na ma boy card no number.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Indiana Bago, Mr. Fred.
Akwaku adum.
That was the media. Said now, kind. Let's begin about that. Technical, I am because the condition of by Mammoth front. Driver no cover every 100. But we are that's what national nice session. Which is every big don't. Let me tell you, that internet, almost a time in if you did number, no accident in the mind.
Okay.
Before can be how they could be a comfort and almost a normal to my machine. Good
morning.
Good morning.
Pacho dini baby akase free.
So you're from very low more just to be serious.
Bro, into you.
The same thing. Carry your boys in the room. Community serious. The it put you there, to take a crack eye. What about what you can our DDA?
Oh, you're driving your own.
Maybe a driving.
Okay.
Let's put the movement to the apple. Who go bomb to our own ground that by the cat of the guy? What's your driving for?
I see.
So,
yeah, that's it. That crope. Yami adom
the American is I know that long day community program be a room. When I tell the big could be after. Now,
that crope, jaye.
I saw what the card did overtaking do a lot.
Very bad. Mami for this one. Last caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
More feeding in from now. Good morning.
Oh, Mr. Joe.
Yes, sir.
I saw you.
I saw you be my mintu.
So, Joe, Mrs. Academy, long game in our corner. That's your black long game. And I'm not because I drive a phone now. I have small boys. Rough, only drivers. Only drivers. If you're better, say a place from the Sakai Sudua, and Kofu Muchika, and the Mutaki Muniabi. Never do I should be 200 at time again. Don't let me finally walk out. Who can you be out of the Christian?
I honor the hour to was why.
It's a young person. I was friend drivers now in the tracker and Muniabi. Mrs. Adon, we are president. What can be better than cry?
One tea, okay. We were to we last one. Good morning.
Good morning.
But you didn't baby a casa free.
I'm going to Abdallah, because free.
Abdallah and Pacho, I mean, you.
I want to see a no more society. I mean, it's a taxi driver. My used to be almost there 9 to 10 years. And she said, don't know from Serbia.
But all the other car, eh?
Nizam match.
And also, right, no more call left.
Right, the call left.
But maybe our money pressure said, yeah, you will more pressure.
Oh, do I hear me to make up, but You say driver now what is here and also control now.
Okay, me that say. So that is more the so I don't know na Facebook for no so more comments. I mean share na one modify house so mean can be famamo. Nana or say say John. If they are saying Voxy is not for long journey, that's fine. What if I use as a private but travel within a long journey? Okay. And on another can want some yes. Until commercial no free na beboa. Okay. I'll say John, no kwasem pa say the problem no ebe the person driving the car. Na dwinche enso eno no. Samuel Ajima Kodom, say good morning, Sir John. Me gidi some ho here. I'll say the issue with using Toyota Voxy for long distance trips is becoming too common. The problem is not about sales, but the car was not made for that kind of use. It was designed for family use, airport pickups, staff transport, and ride hailing. Okay, I'll say a point to consider, a point to ponder, Sir John. Okay, maybe I'll guess him could do the idea abandon. Ma me share how so na yenko yenim wa wodo de beba Facebook na making can the amount anafo Alfred was it good morning Sir John. Most of the accidents occur as a result of most of the drivers are manual users. When they are in top speed they forget and apply the brakes anyhow. Okay, okay, right. Ma Oshobrana 47 after 7. Yebeko nim na nkomo ya edi. Another one so aba no so very important. Okay. We yes or a Voxy driver. Obeso share experience kakra. Mama man 2 minutes bi minia. But I would in baby o sisi we aduma o hefa.
Because me the same me aduma o kumasi to oboase.
Okay. My intio dia na person ye share.
The thing say your car here reaching car no car enante. Emi so hakaka. Nti no say we experienced driver. Na say the car na mpan so a. Odo na car late na e do kopa. Na man say no drivers are abedu akwan so no. Mo na taxi drivers. Eni mo mutibut eni Uber no. Cause na say boat Uber no enya dey active. Nti bu how drive boat on do ko ko taxi nti. Oti bia mini bi so kai bi na mara anya adwuma bia me no fa bi so kai bi na mara anya adwuma overtaking about you for kwan so no me na kwan so bi ebi unnecessary ebi who say kai sia na pa na maka the light na o titi kwan nti me say senka ye be nya ahwe nya check at least you be to aye kwan so e bia police normal ye checkpoint on the speed limit.
I see.
Sorry,
monam kwazo yo mo check bibia.
You do kwazo barrier no titi kwano so. Nti ubedu barrier na cars e ho dada nti no medina. Na traffic akram nti no medina nti gina na udu barrier na no etwa na uko. Ebi an take speed limit bi akwano so. Oba kwan so da so speed limit nke na do da so.
Okay. Na me okay. Okay.
Speed ramp no ebitimi de fro no ko
I see. Enti media o sales here say we sales saying e wo boss
to come in 2,500 a week.
We are 2,500 a week.
And
from Kumasi to Obuasi no passenger say
passenger 40 cedis.
And our fast saying so fast saying
no maybe no past 7
to go back kubia no as a 7 times 40 Ghana
but
and a daily sales away and I will to how many times
ebia me so ya matin no bus station me do station
okay
me so ya matin no bus station it men person me stress me no na my brain no the come you know me ba okay
and to come you means that come you ba bia na wunya for 560 Ghana cedis
but the call na me ba 560
Now what if fuel a free?
Na ma ti fuel a free.
It will calculate a date and also your sales saying.
So me ko na me ba. Na sa ko ba ko. Na ma sa ba.
Asani nyina na 2.
Nti no ma kom yi no aha. Nti me ko na me ba.
No asa be load
ko. E me uma na ma sa ko, na ma sa ba.
And say 4 trips now, okay.
In and out, 4 trips.
4. Okay, into
4 trips. No, 4 trips.
That's what me 1,120 a day.
Aye.
Okay, no, what will be
no. It's all Felican ma. It's easier to perform because of Felican ma. With me, Felican be 650. It is
within a day.
Within the day, no, it's that for on Combrano. Obeting up to full on 650. That counts and baby, 500 and 4 something.
470.
Aha.
No, I say a day.
A day, no. So one more in sometimes on Copoma, every man in my mutation is on Copoma Manama. In general, to show you Mukaka.
No, as I load.
Aha, load be a mean, so you be a mechanic or from Mentosa it's you be a followed. Maybe I'll be the man and idea, a never get to get me phone or daddy. Aha, no, my Jizzy account, I'm draw back here. With the madam, I'm drawn my load, and I'm Namaba.
Wow. It watching for how long?
We were tuning for 3 months.
Oh, before saw the beige man, now you should have it.
Before some of the beige man, and I'm used to his.
Okay. A call was
and I'm the conquer.
Oh, okay. There's all experience, no. Did we keep a when your sales and farmer or owner says when Tim meet sales 2,500 no.
Oh, baby. Maybe person minimum back and forth issue. Yeah. So it be a week you do dreamer, the by minimum.
Okay.
Not the following week, no. It be a member means joining in about money. Not the following week, no. Not the following week, somebody I can't count. None of them, man. But since maybe I want to see the 2,000, near 3,000, 3,005.
Okay. Right. Me that's it. Minia. Thank you. Everybody in Fanisia. As if Vox in be 155,000. And they are 2010 model. About what Utiria 155,000. 2013 model no 170,000. 2014 model no 240,000 cities. And you just do the calculation. Where the na 2,500 no. I was kind of boost the model no cry. They 2,500 a week, you know. As a multiply by 4. For a month, no, 10,000. Okay. I saw mathematics, no. Oh yeah. Akoma. Anyway, but there's another news coming from Askwari Mampong. Nanwa MC no bahan or can be or say challenge facing with Pragiaphone and they say foreigners no take you over. Okay, and underage for no so they say crown mrano I say you no just say na who dey go na decision bi aba evat enra me hu ya nam say eh samom ni nyina ne say Askwari Mampong say omo ebe enforce niema bi wo municipal ni mu a ebebo ana aboama Pragia no microphone we I am seeing no ahoma on so honorable Ben Abdullah Al Hassan e wa ahoma no so me ni ho nkomo kakra na ye hwe because we ka wa ha nti me kai pass work kansa asem no chief good morning
Minia
na bibi aboko de
nyame adom ne mo mpae na mo so e
nyame adom ye ho mo paper no kra na ba na say yellow ho
yellow
ana green na efira bank simu no nti modie no but wo no to farmer ye ne a ade na mo pese mo kire about Pragia no mo dwumadi o mudi wo mo municipal ni mu
Minia me that ya no pay me chia wa chief oni wa hwefo nso so me say de kind of introduction in NJP member if the case so it didn't come up so far operators and after the attack of Pragia now oba emensi mu a edin a oba obi a be hu pa ya data come up be she say if you who say the main means of transport emma mention for intra municipal transport there's a free baby akọ baby mia e mention any input free no we have Pragia no na data no abe the main means of transport with statistics showing that on a daily basis, there were Pragia na data better 3,000 and a number simu edi jumedi. Na say so they are now say it means she said they be on between the mraso. Na enkoba say ebua epe enyuma emrantie no enmabu no. Na eta make sure say eda koni abedi no so no ye betumi edi no wano no. Na omubedi mraso na the other challenge are associated with omujuma die no the nkwada eti Pragia na de temu twie na omuni any regard for road traffic regulations ene mra ye de use ya kwan no na foreigners so sebe enso so agi dwuma die no apa omo so otena ne afidie mu kura no kata woka no de woka no wonte de no so kan won so wonte charges bia no charge afi emra ye de ekashen ewo ye mamu kura onimu bia police officer baako enwa jet enwa okache me say wotena bi mu na in fact oni nipa no nkomodie no kura no obi na tini nche na okache hey nipa woni na edi nkomo no oye police ni o na cheze oba ga na nche ma police atade no kura ya hye nipa kura no kura oni wonti identify say we ye aban police ni
by police Ghana police no press
oni atade no wonti say police ni na oni na edi nkomo no enti o correcting wo kwan ya pass ride na chete wonte na wate kura obi hu so police ni wi asa na obu nkotodwa afa na chewo eni ade na chete se de ye kan so sebe foreigners na dia fa no no kura enti tu na mo tata dia ba bontini ya na mo tu ayetu na yetimi dia bra enoma bi a entwa yi ewo modwumadie ne ho nti ubusa ya na de no menu
obi bebusa se e kasa pen ye de be identify obi se oye foreigner and mo be go beyond that.
You go beyond that. Tell you what kata unim no. Kata eye baako. Na mu menya kata keke. Nipa no betina mu ne ne yobi e obeye ene ataya posifo adwuma no. Omo de ojina wa no ma bebre ho no ma obetimi dia amo hu se. Sebe won tem kata se utwi because we foreigner and etia yemra. Na especially omo so omo under age no over machines no bebrebe over akora 15 years no ti fidiechi very reckless or ye no de dada no hono opagya no mu na say enche ye better bosumi mienu ntemu ni ba ko bi di years ade ko bo akora 5 years ebu ni sire mu ama wa di akora no dem for life enti eno na enche yi a music esi gina ye wo ho a ye pese etu ate by sanity e ba ya kwan so
I see enti ma some can documentation some and we license and roadworthy certificate near the and I'm okay. Okay. As it will be our monam kwaso our mokrano muni roadworthy in this money in our crown.
Do ana age limit no so do na afanye ju. I would say man no road traffic regulations no. And just last year, Road Traffic Amendments Act no I passed it. Actually, but age limit here is immediate APA, 18 years no, you bet me a quadri license. But that's when I'll bet me license, no. AP, Pragia, tricycle, and after any form of, motorcycle. Also, when you're 25 years and above, now say we need you also will be 25 years echo. License in the obey, but we be engaging in commercial tricycle business here. That's already 25 years. That's and then you enquire 15 years, 16 years. No be to machine, no be a show myself. That you must be a model year so. Complaints no also. And then I'm a 2-1 or more.
But effective that ben amode sanji year, Juma.
Effective 15th. A year now, okay, the anymore, never would.
Wow. MTTD and minim stakeholders you omo say pragia for omo omo unions near there money omo nchiamudie no bibia to din kama and
in fact omo cry in full support because omo enso so ntiase brano omo organize training ama omo members. There are various unions and associations and various stations no also oko Chumesi Junction station ho oba Wabu post office station ho oba Sawaba Junction post office station ho oko Sepe Junction bi ho oko Askorman Pon bi ho oba Askorman Pon new site stations no also Togo ba atwate akotia line omo yen chechire mo ko di nkomo but still omo hu se what ends of problem omo kran to GDA free say omo bo wa no omo ni station na dodo no yesterday ahoko ye foreigners omo na ye reckless e wo ya kwan so no nti omo support dwumadi ye na omo nyina e na hyehye dwumadi e decided say ye de ba bon tene na ya bo na sanitize because omo fit di bo na asabi omo so je no emwa ma omo dwumadi no entimi nkoso nti ye na omo ele tu pa na mo ibo mo omo so very much in support.
Chief, everypam ye benya brepa na extensively ye this ankomo why?
Martinia.
That's say for the update ad ya my entino. I just say the oh no. Vance
Emfa.
Say
Emfa.
See I just has me.
Oh, John me asem no me tio. Un say ya na we apese me kan asem no. Me kan say asem me fa nwan. Me say opa Nebude did tour. Me say emfa.
For PV Jantra say obo MC abasopa.
Emfa.
Or say all Pragia drivers must paste photocopy of Ghana card on windscreen to check age and nationality.
Yeah. Ebia the betimi ayi bi kakra me age no but say foreigners Sir John emfa
Ayi for Intiana
emfa
Kalewele
no what did there na we say nipa no say Ontimi can be a tree nana.
Or say beyond that. Or say beyond that.
Ghana card. Now the Ghana card I that's way. And you say you penny in a Ghana card. True.
Okay.
And you'll be an Ghana card. It's Ghana card I so Ghana card cannot be the only thing, right? To be an Ghana card, yes.
To confirm.
Okutane license. I don't know. Say moto for more license. Yes, kutane license. That's one catch here. Onka foreign language. Usually in a few council. Oh,
we know. Abba say no, not just say
municipal security council chairman.
Music for also catch other assemblies. They say woman so here no money. Because tomorrow pretty was so kwa na untimi nguremu wo wafa wa hana so ko askore mampo no so mintimi nkwa. I just say ono ankasa no illegality bi o baby. And I have so many
yes.
Inti chese ene asokwa for so mo implement. Never ye regional idea also mo hwe no mo. Na Evans ayi fante
ma hu se fante so fante pa.
Yes. Na mame kai Gio Omono wa ayi afija say o say road safety funds will consider banning Pragia. The police should be up and doing. You can't allow owners to buy and register the Voxy and later tell them that you are banning the car. Didn't they inspect the vehicles before allowing for the registration?
Oh, you are.
They should come again. Marfo drop.
Oh, you are.
It will bottom. Okay. Now, I didn't know I came fancy almost someone to your house. And come on, I didn't know
a site to hold.
And now my demonstration. Now, my many chairman Dria and Incomo. Or Camabrunoa. Or many abreno.
Many abreno.
How many in Casa? Chairman.
Yes, sir.
Chairman, Infante to sing.
Infante be a hotel.
But so boy, krona wo ho no amo munyina mo kambo mu a mo kasa yi no. Infante pe.
Infante nko a. Mi ankasa me no kasa ikura. Nya mabunsa me ye bi a me ni afi afi me NDC chairman. Ewo Subriso branch. Nya Infante nko a oduma se kwa numasua Subriso Infante Marfo community ni na na tepa executive enyina ka ho ena nura ye kasa no NDC executive for what na constituency executive enyina ka ho na ye kasa no
Na me pacho sesi ai ede na ekoso ama isi ase ho no na no nkomo ayedi ye nyina wo fi ha mra omo ba ha ba yedi nkomo yi ni adwen se asem no akwa wie o
asem ni nko wie yedi nkomo wo ho no mu wie ya mo ba fa yi nyina ye wo ho na MCU efre ye so wo ba ho na MCU ban sojafo no a guidance site no amawo ese ni ma ho no onwa na MCU eni won guide MCU bi no ba site ho onwa so be gina na MCU ni won kasa yi MCU ka che wa ni se ontumi stop won waduma no nti won koso won waduma nti na MCU aka no radio so se oba na site no agu ni enye dwuma ho etimi se da de pem no se ka na tie dia won sere soja fo no na ye ni ma ho no ye ni ampa chief ekakire won o kakire won ye free won mu aye ye ko ya azire tiaba na ma kata ni ma ni nyina so na me pese MC ni hu se asamu a waka na ye enkontompo entro no ekakire ye si nyina so ba na site na go ni ti na me se da kakire se on kan che soja fo no na ye ye niema okay ma ni de pon wo kakire won
enti mo pese dia na mo hwehwe free aban ene empanifo mo kan bi ewo mu dia na mo hwehwe free mo
ye dia che ya so kurafo osu a ejanka mobo because so kurafo na oba nu aduane amanyanka no onu yesu bere na ejanka nya aduane adi na yanya ya tiwe ya ye da ha ya empanifo obi ba no wo ko no beka wo ti ye mani sika we mani ka sika no femko obi ba no ye se ya obi bi ya le no aba ye se ye adwuma na bu ye adwuma no kwa ye fa ne se ya nye bi kura na mabu ni ye adwuma no hu dididi a ye ha no madwuma ye sa no ye se moto ani abomo ya wo ye o ha kura bro ten fa se ana adwuma no eni ha ne kwa no so da bia na nro be so kwa no so adwuma no start ya ye adwuma hu an nro be so be bisa police commander we be so bia ayi say ye prisam ni adibie bi ni ho because akola no sori ano ba mu a o so ano pa okọ akoye na adwuma eti won tumi ko ewe de ni boni ni ade so enu mu ekọ ti ya anu a adwuma na gu no eni ma bebre na to si wa ha eni ye tra ban se adwuma no eni se ye pe ene koye enye ni ga work e adwuma wo ho dada na ye bia amanfo ye ene ye ba ye nyina ye to aso ayeye ibi esra ban se wo mo aye na wo mebie ma ye nye djuma because djuma ye kromafo eni patem we nyina se djuma we fa this is bible obi fi kuma se kura beton ade wa ha na ye de djuma no ba ko na kukura mo bro ni bi se won ko ye djuma djuma ni MC ka so ni mu bia oboa because MC ni tan se ye djuma wo oji si cha we president ni mu bi ATMC di adwuma no woni mhubi etiye ne esra ban se aban hwe na omoaye MC ni so omoa no because ha wode no beto ye ne de MC ni gu na ban no na ban gu na ban no because entisa anka the party executive MC anka we asem fi awo ba kranka ni se police fi awo district na abefa won ma police ni bi anka ho wa mo ayi o police fo bi ama ne o ni ayi o na ka ni ama ne ka ni bi ba ya dia na ka ka ni mo bi o wa ka ka ma ne ya de
Chairman, you be na you be a lot of questions. I'm white. That's Chairman. Thank you. Jomo, come on. Me would you?
Yeah.
Enra, ye should. Call.
Yes.
Now this is it. Who do say Alfred
Muhammad, yeah.
Emma, ono so abekasa.
Ono yesu akra ne ho baby. But omra ha because one kra ho ha ho enko baby but
exactly the point. That's it. Enti ose nye wono a. Ena another allegation so ba say F&J Minerals.
Eno so mate say eno so mabo ti omabo dwaben
Jabi
empty bo nyan clear no
ono so nyan clear no
o me clear no ho
o so clear no ho ba me check say atem no ade no emu bia no kore no e wo mu ni
swa but there's no smoke without fire.
Okay, that's also a point.
Yes.
Now sa F&J Minerals no I understand say a Ghanaian own company,
yes.
Adia wa mu yi ama wa unua Lands and Natural Resources Minister.
Yes, boa.
In fact, asem no aha no. Ama information meeting say mete say a delegation
eba
be sia ko.
Okay. Bi Judy.
If I dey wo mu kra no ahwe ya metimi aka de be sia kire na me dimpa for anim.
Ye fa mpem mo. One information center be credit, claim credit.
Yes.
So that's it. In TM fan Pimomo. But Mr. John, on a more serious note, in Fantasia Mono dear. Baby, I be Druno. Ya can the OCA can be. So I say, ya can the OCA can be. The right thing has to be done. Concession, you be there. But you see, Penifona on YouTube, someone come as the me. Among come as the me, common be or dear, na Sabu, a Jedan Fakwamusa. Now saying, lick the Pia boy, with a baby and common fire, already or no, my fire. It's your balance, who can be a more. Now, yet me establish with you, say, and your galamsey sites. A licensed firm. Strong. They are supposed to do responsible mining. But operationalization,
Enti ye ka motive say by delegation me pa any
na so we there.
I had information. I had information. And I be Drew Krumah. Justice be Drew Krumah.
Yes.
Jackson be Drew Krumah. So buy o be dia. Now buy and the boost in am say dem ha dey bra me mo akwa ba.
You say you be men of valor. Men of valor.
Minim Jackson say me say wo multimedia. Ya wo ne minua obi na ye adwuma ne azali. Na oba kremu na no frame say oba eja wo nam akoma na wo na mo ane adenti no. Oba surprise oba be fa ha no abetia ye. Sa. Na odi aba. Se bibi aboko de.
Nyame adum bibi aboko pa.
Nti se wagya ya na.
Se no yakɔhye baabi kakra.
Wagya nsɛm twodwuma no.
Ye nja nto ho. Ya pause kakra. Sɛm twodwuma de se nja. I mean it's a lifetime something. Even if you are in the corporate sector no you still do the journalism. Nti bi so aye no na edue no so aka.
Minim se wo de komasi de me mma wakɔ aba ana.
Komasi de se aye dim.
Kwabre this year.
Exactly. Nti ya edim.
Oba se bibi aboko de.
In fact, obo adwuma.
Yeah, boy, Juma. Minimum.
Me boss they say a crying and I mean na so Jimmy Cobb more hand and in fact people are doing very well. I must say mobile Juma. Bye say ja. Me na former auntie no. Me tina pragiane
Online
trotro and everywhere Akoma kwam say no. Say John in na pan for boy Juma. It was me to fa ha. I mean who say no, maybe congratulate you say you are doing so well in Kumasi and it's
you walk is it in a bulb good ball.
Say good ball jury. Say honaja. Yes, me ne yes I'm trophy ninkita ho. Broni beka say media relations officer.
Now what media relations? Eba zukum. Channel Senyor ba Kumasi ha no say. Me gra me nim. There's a gun from here.
Oh, come from. I mean, there's a whole plan to come to Kumasi and engage the media. But no, Ashanti Expo no, and the DBP more. Ashanti Expo. In fact, let me say, Ashanti Regional Minister. Oh, yeah, me former senior OT. Oh, boy, Juma.
Yeah.
And good board jury. Senior in no. And maybe na precious Jewelry Limited, that's PJL. Na PMMC as that's Precious Mineral Marketing Company. And Adum last year, yes, same a gold board. That's Ghana Gold Board. Na Gold Board Jewelry is a subsidiary of Gold Board. Na ye juma ye say ye the value gold na ye no. And you know what Gold Board does. I mean, Gold Board is so be deep jar, be tall gold, be ton gold. They say Gold Board and my license and now they are bit me. Into no Gold Board jury no. We are adding value to the gold that we have here in Ghana. And kind of not inaya away na echo. But now we are turning into jewelry. We are now doing gold tablet for investment purposes.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Jimo Hamu di biaba.
Edi be braba I o jubilee park. De bre aba e o jubilee park.
No ba na discover jara.
Oba no aba beto. Enye din bia sa. The okitano
and your mother there. James, we are saying,
oh, yeah, also mutime to faho. I mean, can check I Kumasi phone and say, so open authentic gold is gold board jury. In fact, if you are dealing with a government agency, you can't get it wrong. You get it. And you be board demo or Ashanti Expo. We've been there from Monday. I mean, I do my Saturday neighbor year. Now, me sure do I must see bird more chrome. Say, I'm 2 and 5. And I say, my mature man, I Kumasi man, so who's a gold board jury or hands. Yeah. In fact,
and they said what you know. Now, buy ya won't see a budget. We are sure say package be our in terms of commercials.
That's right.
I was say hey and 3 years crying and sent to her. Bam.
And him say me MD Gertrude Emefa Donko Esquire ATM and no pay.
That's right.
You know, say me corny say no who adwuma na ya ba na.
That's right.
In fact, I wouldn't have to say much.
Omani nye security adi ni bi.
David.
Can you tell
adi ni bi.
So I would want to say Gold Board we have 7 outlets and our showrooms. 5 Accra and now 2 Kumasi Hanum say.
What
Gold Board you
okay, so in fact they have new information to me, but it's good so I'll share.
Ejuma high ba be
yes.
Yeah, be too much.
Yes.
Yeah, be too much. Say John 100 mean so. Sina even so and so mean so. Me say me no so am be adwuma na my what. You two you were doom Amposa kid, but any Ramsey corporate yin na enimhye and a FedEx office no e inside pepe e wo enim ho
I see
airport.
Okay.
Why are there Jackson me well
87.9
Yes. Man, I might Obi Mwan.
Oh yeah, I mean production.
Oh yes, I know.
I don't pay a lot.
There be Minyashas.
Oh, when you be a
Me say Brian Ebony didn't share me. Kufia wan kwame no.
And a ball.
Yes. In fact, yes, you share one kind.
Exactly.
But unse share idin no. Aha. Enti one na kan ho sempa.
Enti na ane e wa bai ai mo friend say sad mo some say women of the women of valor na no dey no. Say na na go so yi ano.
Oh, I say you didn't chim kakaba.
Me who say as a Samuel man manager.
So Gold Board is a mother company. I mean, yes, so much. And he said Gold Board kasa, Gold Board Jew. Exactly. But Gold Board Jew is so ye di juma.
Okay.
What I say? And since you baby brain, it's an ancient mukoyeno. It was not something like a sponsorship.
Okay.
So February we had a campaign that's love deals.
Okay.
Yeah, discounts change from 1 to 35%.
Okay.
And they encourage people to come and buy gold to appreciate themselves, to appreciate their loved ones, to appreciate their bosses. And in March, na Ghana month. Say Odom Reye share odra. Then Ghana month was also a share odra.
Okay.
So that was when Women of Valor no buy. And Women of Valor, we didn't sponsor. When you say sponsorship, then you are paying something to be on board.
Okay.
But we were partners. Moti hey, ebeti amba so Ashanti Expo ye babe ye pese mo be partner na bibi baby and mumbo hu de room moji tuma enye si etwa bibi ama mo ba mate ase so mo ne be ye sa adwuma ye babe di no and we were just partners to give omo mbekọ sa program no so person to jewelry and a gold tablet eye Gold Board Jew, you get some discounts on it.
Yes, ma dedicate Sikabia say money fanko, more plane tickets, more accommodation,
we're just on board as a partner for the program. So what more your program no so per se and partner mo. Na your mama some incentives we can do that. But say be terms get dey be so monje and no so but this time around that was not happening for the Women of Valor.
I see. Jackson.
Sir John.
Yes. We are heavy. We are heavy pa. Me sure say come on we be to
you be too much.
You be free Saturday home.
Patron.
Now
in fact Asantim you say skakoko ne open for so but be more Kumasi hands and Asantim mo gra. You've never seen gold before. Gold coast. If you got a gold that. And everybody to be
thank you. But I'm trying to buy me bar.
Yes. So I commodity doors. That's what the MC. Also buy yes.
Joe, a backable said we are there. Good and enough. A dangerous gamble. Why risk fire with inferior quality? Signal cables has been specially manufactured with 99.99% pure copper and into contractors. Muamusi industrial buildings, commercial buildings, and inferior for may come for signal cables and a demand. Essence media, a So with signal cable, you don't just plug in, you power up with confidence. Signal cables are the gold standard when it comes to electrical connectivity. Rupe biato Ghana fanenya ubenya biato. Etufonko Joapro and Fokwa Electricals are Omo Kumasi Adum. Fire was 0244 7284 33 and 0543 934550. Signal cables, Yayani the nation's cable empire. Tease me, baby. Hello, family. Genuine Dental Clinic. Ubia Janatuano. Anetro graduate. Sebano, a Siaduma Wodia. Genuine Dental Clinic. And the Dimwa Kutne. Nanya Mouse in the day. Antiapo. Nanya Fe. Abribia. Yadi Abe from Fidia. Yadishasa was Sibatiapo. And Abeguya Sway. Sarubaya Sway. Yayan Shishamu. Ashadi Hawo. Nafe Yama Wakanche. And Nasa Nui. Episode Suicide. And Nasa episode 2. Episode Show Say Gold. And Nasa Silver. Nayam Fan Fidia. And Ruhu Sing. And Yunkeka. Biara womo bia afi wona bi binti emwa bi awonse ane why lucky na so person will see fita ane Genuine Dental Clinic and make come from out afi se kaka ye na so see achia huna fa beda ye akra ngwa and afi atomic down aflawo ye wo Eco Bank abro sign mo ye ni Ghana Commercial Bank ene die nhwe tamale tishigu ye ben MTN office wo pe ye ni post office no ene die nhwe techima mazi ye wo mazi kwan na wo de market hona Kumasi wo be hu ye e wa be junction ye ben total filling station and afi Atosu High School Junction traffic Nasewa Freyen 0549 906588 Genuine Dental Clinic. Ye bema will see dia dance ye.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Eba Clinic Aba Accra. And you won't hear passengers a gumi kaimi, a Hana do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and then put them at the mo. And yet the Muampa, the Sadia, Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Abasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Saro, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, means send between ones and 8 years. Miss Connection and said, Uncle, na a sacra. To say what Pedro Mama, what young them connection, what you are about the crow. Stroke, so dear, what found small. Just say, I did the one who wanted the Siano. There is B.I. Tatia, and Dr. Tamdaso and so diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. There be a Kumasi say, who are go, opposite government school, and then Krahanso, other PM, or Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Woodima for Newa.
Awo kan kwanhyia ɛne operation ɛma mogya pii firi onipa ho adɔktafoɔ bɛyɛ wɔ afɔm deɛ bia na sɛ wɔanya mogya no bi anhyɛ anan a onipa no tumi hwere ne nkwa wei ɛbɛtumi ato
Akoma FM
oyire
87.9 Kumasi
wɔba wo nua anaa wo yɔnko bi ɛno nti na ɛbɛhia sɛ bra no bia kɔmfanɔkye blood bank ɛbɛnya mogya ɛde asie na sɛ biribi sɛ itu obi a wɔnya bi ɛde atwitwa agye no ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM yɛne kɔmfanɔkye blood bank aka abom April bosome ne da ɛtɔ so edunwɔtwe 18th April yɛn nyinaa yɛahyia ɛwɔ Akoma FM yɛnim ha ya yɛwɔ asokwa yɛne Kumasi City Mall main gate no ɛhwɛ anim yɛtwi mogya nkakra ne yɛde asie kae sɛ mpanimfoɔ se tietia ɛna bɔtoa wodeɛ ba medeɛ ba a yɛbɛnya dodo ne yɛde akɔ akɔsie wɔkyena bi satorenkyɛm bi si a ankɔba so nipa
Akoma FM
ɛno nti mehwɛ w'anim sɛ 18th April wodi wani ɛbɛkyerɛ Akoma 87.9 FM yɛnim ha ya na yɛn nyinaa yɛka abɔ mu ayɛ blood donation exercise na ayɛ fɛ.
Right, I'm for my inquiry anyway. Now, high Akoma 87.9 FM. Enra me catch from your show so share. TV3 say best brain publications almost 10 quiz no. Eba so honti. Yami adman next week, but more than so the money now so ebeba. Odomo ba here, odomo be TV no machine.
Akoma.
But I want TV ni wa. You can still join via YouTube, Facebook, Best Brain STEM quiz. Maybe be also kama at the amount. But one day say we share so at the amount maybe be also kama. Now, Midima for Herbal Clinic, Dr. Time, that's Dr. Region Fee. Doc, it's your no pain. Or say for stroke, bra, diabetes, for bra, hypertension, for bra. Now on share emfa amount. Na odo ne chemo bu akwa agogo oni aban school share ni mu poko ase Maira Kwano so nkranfo wonso mutimi di mani a kire ho hye no soma me se number no 0244 774282 anopai meni menu aba ko nkomo a ibediem yes bedin komo kama enti obetima join here live on our Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM in fact Oko MPP mo a oyo bi a omo recognize the pa ago hene enti eba be din komo na me amatin kan de I've seen a lot of videos come on pon a lot of developmental projects are all here or honey ade but who yes but your friend no Beatrice Owarewa Siao or a National Council of Patrons member or a National Communication Team member for the NPP as well. Now, Ufra Santima Ponzo. Beatrice, good morning.
Morning. What to saying?
Me who ye also
Yamiado.
Yes, you're the Yamiasi. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Mami Musa said, "You can't Beatrice or Warewa Siao." Obetre Musa say, "Oh, you're fine."
Okay.
Yes.
Mitri and yet Akama. You know,
yes.
so and yet risky like yours.
Okay.
So Beatrice, me or you to me from me Nanaya.
Okay.
Me a philanthropist.
Okay.
So me puntunjuma edoso wa Asante Mampo. Yes.
I see. It be a day. We also free Asante Mampo.
Me patro.
Okay.
MTN building a Asante Mampo Mampong me mami building.
MTN building, the Oma Pinti MTN.
Where the MTN office is at.
Oh, okay.
The whole building is from my mother.
Okay.
Me pacho.
I see.
Me pacho.
So, just say, say the say, what's not states more?
A woman was US.
Yeah, US.
Chicago.
I see. And about Ghana to do politics. Is that the case?
Yes, and in Ghana, yes, please.
Oh, you MPP ni?
Me pacho and me a farmer.
Oh, you're a farmer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Eastern region, around Suhum area.
We invest in a Greek.
Yes, please.
Then away.
Rubber plantation.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
Hey, wow investment and that's what we inherited from.
No, my own investments.
To stage Ben Edru.
I'm harvesting.
Wow.
But I purchased this 2015, so it takes
from someone.
I purchased the land. It was just a bare land.
Oh, okay.
And
so just all started from scratch.
Scratch, yes, please.
Wow, I see. Obi Rebecca, so you're too young to have that.
Are you sure?
And you're surprised at me, kind of
say.
First time I OTV.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wow, thank you.
So for how long now? Was it 15 years ago?
Since I've been in Ghana?
No, I'm talking about
my rubber. I started 2015.
2015.
So yeah.
So 2015 should be
11.
11. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it 11?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's 11.
Wow. 11 years.
Yes, please. Your math teacher is dead.
No. I don't have problem with maths. Everyone's no problem with maths, but for me, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So, in the party, for how long now? Were you active? Politics?
But well, I've been a member of New Patriotic Party, MPP, 2012.
2012.
Yes, please.
Okay, card-bearing member.
Card-bearing member.
So before that, now family politics, is it something like what family nima or twice?
Oh, that's a good question. My dad was a staunch MPP member before he passed.
I was Sante Mampong.
Well, my father is from Eastern region.
Eastern region.
That's why my last name is Sion.
Sion, yeah.
Yeah.
And
he's a Nekwapim.
Okay. And
me mommy is free Asante Mampong.
Yeah, me your father was an active politician.
Well, an active, I would say, not a known politician.
Okay.
But an active, maybe financier of the party.
So apart from your father, you are the only person from the family who wants to do active politics
within MPP.
Within the MPP,
yes,
you are the only person.
Well, I'm sure there's others, but I'm the only known
in
person.
The NPP. There are others in the NPP or other
others in other political parties.
NDC, you have NDC.
You're funny. Every family has their blend. So
okay,
yeah,
my
family.
You have NDC active members in your.
Some
in your
of
family,
them, some
doing active politics.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So are they an MPP?
Oh, it's the way they received my father and the way they received me.
Okay.
And some of the outreach programs, scholarships, NPP is really big in Chicago and the US. So it seemed attractive to me at the time, and it's still attractive to me now. And that's why I'm with the New Patriotic Party.
And so how long do you want to go into it? How deep do you want to go into politics with the MPP? Is it just at the level you are, or you want to you are aiming to go up?
Not necessarily aiming to go up. My goal is to help wherever I see the need fit. So
politically
or even socially.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inti Asante Mampo no. DN na waya.
Wow, a dorsal.
Betimi dia kayo.
A dorsal.
Ai bubu bi ma mintie.
Wow, me two boiler every apostolic. Winimo.
Wasa me catch say minimampo. Minimampo a kofa kofia se kwa ko benim.
Okay.
Yes.
We're free.
Benim.
Okay. The rich area.
So what to bola?
Me patrai.
Okay. Ede ma Ebola our for so many years.
Yes, over 40 years.
40 years. No, be untouching.
Me patro Debbie.
And
I brought my own excavator, payloader, the assembly, and mommy 2 tipper trucks.
Okay.
And then I fueled it myself with my own money. It took me about 10 to 14 days.
10 to 14 days. And I would say,
I do not recommend removing boiler. It's you feel like you don't know when it will stop. The smell, it's like once you start.
Were you part of active as in part of the process? Were you there?
I was there
field? When
every day
you were there
every day. And then one day I had an emergency at one of my houses in Accra, in Tema to be exact. And I said, okay, I'm going to Tema, I'm coming back. Just one day, people started, mommy and Timmy to boiler, blah, dien. Oh, just one day. To me.
Oh, but so who kono mujaye? But so when you had no commitment to us.
No, to make everything transparent. It's just one day.
Okay.
And then
and almost went to me and
yes, and then I came back and I finished.
So Baba, you went to me and
and
I was about back the finish.
And then I finished.
Finish here, no reaction to say.
Ghanaians, they just say, yeah, Nana, yeah. They forget, short-term memory, so they forget. So they were all happy.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because a boiler brings so many diseases like cholera, typhoid, the smell. You're living with the boiler within people.
Yeah.
And so it's not habitable.
I see. So apart from that, what else?
Then I tackled Tadium Park.
Okay. Tadium Park.
Tadium, the heart of Asante Mampong.
Or tackle it in what way?
Well, the person me AstroTurf.
Oh, Asante. So far, Asante Mampo any AstroTurf. The one roadside after St. Monica's, no.
Okay. That place is not completed.
Yes,
they haven't done it.
And why didn't you touch that one?
Why should I touch somebody's project?
What project?
I don't know, but somebody's project. You're funny.
So, why?
Kontunchi, you're funny.
But I mean, you saw a project,
I saw a project,
an ongoing project,
right?
And you are starting a new one.
Correct.
That is my challenge. At least you should have consulted whoever was working on it. Then you support as well. Or you didn't have interest at all.
I wanted to touch the heart of Asante Mampong. And the heart of Asante Mampong, as you very well know, as a Kontunchi, is Tadium.
The Tadium Park.
And before you touch Tadium Park, because of the drainage system, because it floods there, you must tackle that drainage system because it can flood the whole area. So I invested over 700,000 Ghana cities. 700,000 Ghana cities to do the drainage system at Tadium. Because of the downpour, I think at Tadium, it needs to be dredged. So there's some rubbish inside. We have a huge rubbish and sanitary issue in Ghana. So it needs, when there's a downpour, when it rains, it floods the whole park all the way to the Laurier Station.
So what is the current?
So I finished the drainage system there, and I started to do the leveling of the park, and I wanted to do an AstroTurf with 12 players. And I said first, yes, 12 players or 11 players.
11 players.
Yes. Okay. And a certain company brought a bill for 11 billion. A certain company. Yes.
Brought 11,000.
11 billion.
11 billion. Which is 1.1 million.
Yes.
1.1
million Ghana cities for an
entire project.
For an AstroTurf.
Okay.
And I thought it was expensive. So let me do 8 players. And then some people in the community was like, "Nana, 8 players, entimi wow." Yeah. So if it's too much money, then do grassing. And I said, no problem. So I leveled it. I was about to start grassing. Natural grassing with a borehole to do the watering of the park. And then unfortunately, the municipal stopped me and said that we are not allowing you to use the drip machines.
Oh. Not at the early stage, but
at the later stage, after they saw me do the dirty work of spending 700,000 for the drainage. Yeah. That one you didn't stop me. That one you didn't even check to see if it was done properly, if it's open or closed, or if I used the right width or so forth, because I'm not a road contractor.
When was that? Was it your time?
I started this project around 2025. April, May, something like that last year. Okay. And I finished the drainage system maybe in August. Mm-hmm. And
so now the project is halted.
It's halted, yes.
I see. Did you sense sabotage or something? As in trying to sabotage the work you're doing? Because maybe you were political ambition, people felt that way. Say
people felt threatened.
A lot of impact.
Of course. Of course. I mean, but I'm not doing this because I'm trying to make headway within my political career. I'm doing this because Mampong is in dire need of development. Okay. There's no factories in Asante Mampong. Some places in Mampong, there's no light, there's no water. Sanitation is a problem. There are edifices of school structures that when it rains, a pipe. So I wanted to help my own community as a Mampong dish.
Okay. I see. Therefore, Akoma yedi no, we sure say try many about try to blend chine brofo. So it's slang no. We are chine go higher na but we are managing. Enti ye didn't come kakra so far ne abusuamu politics e wo mu ne papa MPP ni nti ono so nam sa line no so abusuafo bi no so the other political parties almost share ono so I invest in a Greek Asante Mampong a honso so project kakra ono so has with me the aboa last one no yeah astrative tadiem omo munim Mampong de tadim masem na no ka okay say project no aye dry drains nyina dru ba bia afi I municipal assembly ni say omo mfa drip machine man bio nti say project na hot nti ano ye nkoma aye this is here now mame remember back to you Nayan share. What do you find interesting about in politics that we do in Ghana? You've been in the States and one how we on politics. At the end of how you think that oba in our politics abeboa Ghana also.
I think the name calling,
name calling
and the insults
in our politics,
should come to a minimum. Because if you're going to say somebody, it's not the best words to say. And it doesn't achieve your political goals. And we are all brothers and sisters and human beings in the end. Maybe there was certain promises the person couldn't fulfill due to prioritizing certain things. They couldn't fulfill it. But there's a new government that comes in. They should also carry on to that legacy so that things move forward for development within Ghana. So that one is another part too, that stalled projects, that maybe there was a road contract that happened. And then due to maybe it was NDC, now it's MPP turn, they stopped, or vice versa. They should continue because we're all looking to develop Ghana. We're not building political parties. We should be concentrating on building a nation. So I said two things. Yeah.
I see. Now, in the Ashanti region, once you are from Asante Mampong,
okay,
I'm sure say you expect a lot of development in the region, and especially a higher the base of your political party. We are impressed with the development region, especially from your end, as in the MPP administration and the impact in the region. Are you impressed?
I mean, I think NDC started a project in 2025, right? And we're in 2026. And if you look at the Swami interchange, it's still under construction. Traffic is on an all-time high. I think last time I was in traffic for almost 3 hours coming from Jofel going to the Swami interchange. So, and then when you go there, you see that sometimes it's been halted and delays and so forth like that. So they're not done in some parts within even like the Accra Kumasi, going to the N1, like the Tema motorway, their projects. I don't know if it's halted, they've completed some, stopped some. And some of it could be due to maybe the underground water pipes and electrical pipes and transformers. Could be some of the delays and some of the shift they needs to rework and replan and so forth. And some could be due to money and infrastructure. Like within the Swami interchange, they said first the MPP wanted to do 4-tier, and due to finances, it's dropped from 3 to 2.
So according to the minister,
maybe they're back to 3 now. So, let's give them time. Let's not throw the red card and say they couldn't finish, because they promised 2027 and we're not here yet.
Yes.
So
I see.
Maybe something miraculous will happen, that maybe they will double up their efforts and do 24 hours. I don't know.
The 24 hours
working system. Maybe they will do the 24-hour.
The economy. The 24-hour economy.
No, they're doing 24 hours within their shift work regarding the roads.
Okay. With regards
maybe
to
maybe the 24-hour economy work will seep into the road construction. So let's not throw that red card now. They're working, I guess.
How would you rate this administration?
I mean, I'm MPP, so I mean, there are certain promises that NDC promised that unfortunately has flipped-flopped or hasn't been promised. There's a lot. For instance, the 24-hour economy, they promised that. I don't know if that's working yet, because Guinness has always been on the 24-hour. There are certain pharmacies that operate 24-hour and so forth like that. The LGBTQ bill that was being part of their message that former President Nana Akufo-Addo needs to sign, and using so many right-wing Christian groups, including Assemblies of God and so forth to push the signing of that bill. And unfortunately, the bill wasn't signed. And here we are. And that bill is still not being signed and being deprioritized.
Okay. So you've mentioned 24-hour economy,
the fuel,
LGBTQ.
Fuel prices going sky high. Some pumps.
But this one is not the doing of the administration.
And it's doing of where?
The impact, the global impact of this Iran, US, Israel issues.
Okay.
So, I mean, you cannot blame the government solely for.
I do. No, you can't. You can't say that, because first of all, we have oil in Ghana. Why isn't Tor being utilized to its maximum production within Ghana?
But there is a process. They've started operating. Tor is operating now.
Okay.
So it's a process.
It's a process. Yes. That's the excuse. We'll get there. Okay. If that's the excuse.
I mean, it cannot be, but I mean, it's a process.
Okay.
It's a process. So,
and this is not the first time President Mahama is coming back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Because
we're importing 40% of our oils from the Netherlands. So we need to utilize our own oils. We need to expand our processing plants. We need to look within ourselves and not look without. That's why we are in the situation that we're in.
I am getting messages from Asante Mampo.
Okay.
Yes. They are listening.
Oh, that's good. Oh, and then me that I'm representing Asante Mampo. Yes. Mampong is a beautiful place. That they should register, the MPP exercising to register to vote is still ongoing. You can do this online at member.mppghana.org. And you can pay as little as 2 cedis a month for 1 year, which is 24 cedis, and then you're a member. So you can vote during 2028.
In coming days, I am sure, sir, we'll be following you. Now, I'll share your impact. I also make it just as you've mentioned. We'll be following things that you'll be doing as well.
Yeah, I've done a lot in Mampong. I've built schools.
Oh, Mampong.
Yes, even on Assem, I've built schools. I've done boreholes at Apa and Kofiase.
Apa and Kofiase.
Yes, I've done a lot. I've paid tuitions. I've even that sanitary pad for World Hygiene Day. I've given several pads and so forth. I've done a lot. Helped families, given loans. Well, not necessarily loans. Giving monies out to people to help start businesses and so forth.
Okay. Nanka was here starting around 8. But
due to traffic.
Yes, you another interview. I'm sure so we'll have another time.
Okay.
And maybe we'll extend this discussion and do more. Yeah, now can chat.
I wanted to hear what some of the people from Asante Mampo.
I almost almost here.
Yes, and I said that they should vote for on 2028. Yes. And if you don't like how things are going, you should vote, exercise your right, utilize your voting power. And then MPP is still doing an online registration process. And then I gave the web address member.mppghana.org, all one word.
Okay. And the last thing. Dio do Samuel say, very beautiful woman. I love her interview.
Thank you.
Fellas, could say interpreter boy pa. But I'm sure I'm doing that. And Francisca Labi, I see you should have consulted the assembly before embarking on those projects, but I'm sure you said you.
Of course, I started with them. I even did a sword cutting. Maybe unfortunately, Lobby is not aware of what happened. You can't just go and do a project. So you would definitely sit with the engineer, and unfortunately, the engineer didn't have drawings for the drainage system. So I had to use my own drawings to do this drainage system. So I consulted with 3 different consulting groups before embarking. So the chiefs were also aware. Traditional council was aware. So everybody, it's a group it's a unit. So you don't just wake up one day and say, I'm going to do this.
Right. I get it.
I
get it. Inti about Beatrice or Warewa Siao and an opay and a din komoka cra. But Nanka we Nanka and Common Kibidia question, but unfortunately time.
Okay.
Any traffic in Tinona, but we have to end it. Kofi, minia on in nam. Kofi, be our god there.
Yeah, we are the one.
Yes. Brawanim na. So what you may know?
Missing, obey.
And no, Kofi, what tough?
Yeah, one the tough. Beatrice or Warewa Siao, should I say philanthropist. And or your farmer said your kind, or you be or you create na would be a robber and what a poem mantem. Na we unity ewo mampong. Na oyi de tin in yes, or unity ewo amanyo sem mukeke. In fact, project Pia, why ebi or cranny refi or call nano menine call mampong hospital, government hospital. Not knowing crassa why yeah VIP ward be.
Okay.
Both Emma and Memena. Wow. AC, TV, fridge, Bibia. Wow. And Sir John, I dear Bakwe me and say, Ghana, sometimes ya town for. Okay. The Antina make us. Many no call her na say female ward no. Na wa more equipment be a was say omodidi juma especially their TV and na louvers no na enyo okay into omo louver blades any some equipment be a bit me aboa ma sabi omo ho egia yarhwe no omo ho atom. Could you believe say ye call ho no na equipment ni bi wo ho a omo mfa enye adwuma said yes.
I see.
Especially your say omo TV any omo fridge ne say louver blade de wo na omonye ho hwe. So the etian is ye born tough nana ya unity say obeboa mampong. And I mean MPP or ye National Council of Patron member and osan National Communication team member and yadi ni nyina nkamfo an say John ni nyina nkamfo an yes your fruit yapa. NIPM.
Okay, me that's it. And the last question will be the free man point, and said, the seat and will you contest? The seat.
It wasn't my initial dream, but the way people has been pushing and encouraging me, so yes, I would like to contest.
Is it at the consideration stage or you've gone beyond that? You're confirming to us that you'll be contesting.
I'm still thinking about it.
Okay.
I'm still thinking about it.
Right. That's fine. Yeah, that's it.
Intimate, that's it.
I mean, John Homraz is here.
Yeah.
Mpanyimfo kan yɛ wɔn boate dɛ ɔyɛ afoto nsakyere nyipa gyedan nsɔhwɛ na marama po na adwuma befie mabra na mabɔtɔ hɔ na mada hate mo wonde ma na nambi poso baby na metsema na ho dwi ntuntun yɛ kum ebufu so na mezukura atama me ne shop hɔ atama me betwe ntuntun aduru ɔsɛkroti na ɔbɛgye wo friend fatala sɛ isokura osibi chara papa tena wo sipo anyu botwa ɔnhwe onyipaduen oyɛ nhom so dɛ na ntontona wo suro nama ɔsan queen seta otu na za wo hwehwe ne nyinara ɔyɛ quick action ihye si danyi fatala ye wono coin spray ne nyina bi epiandodo wa frɛ 0599 315 600 senya spray wo dem ho a fi wo bɛyɛ smadu no man from amfa wansana akɛhyem otode bien monso coil nsedo na ndem fatala is set out krati FDA apenedo.
Hello, family. Genuine Dental Clinic. Ubia Jinatumano. Anetu Ngratui. Sebano Esiaduma Hudia. Genuine Dental Clinic. And the Dimwa Kutne. Bra. Nanya Mausin de. Antiapo. Nanya Fe. Abribia. Yadi Abe from Fidi. Yadi Shasa was Sibatiapo. And Abe Guya Swaya. Sarubaya Swaya. Yayan Fishamu. Ashadi Hawo. Nafe Yama Wakwanche. And Nasa Nui. Opeso Siwase. And Nasa. Opeso Tuesday. Opeso Show Say Gold. And Nasa Silver. Bra. Nayam Fidi. And who sing. And Kekawa. Biara womo bia afei wona bi binti amoa bi awonse ane wayɛ lucky na so pesa wo see fita ane Genuine Dental Clinic na make am from out afei se kaka ye na so see achia ho na fa bedaye Accra Mungwa and after Atomic Down Aflawo yewo Eco Bank abon sign mu yeni Ghana Commercial Bank ene die nhwe Tamale Tishigu yeben MTN office wo pe yeni post office no ene die nhwe Techima Mazi yewo Mazi kwan na we dey market hona Kumase we be hu ye ewa Abepo junction yeben Total filling station and after Atonsu High School junction traffic na se wa freyen ewo 0549 906588 Gentleman Dental Clinic yebema wo sie dia dance
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Herbal Clinic Accra. And you won't hear passengers the Gumi Kaimi, a Hana do one aircraft. Hey, and the Accra and put them at the mo. And yet the Mwampa, the Sadia, Educam Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, you send the 2 months and 8 years cano. Connection na enshedam koye na esakakra ti say wa pege mu ama hodiam bam connection na wo ye wo ba de kro stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wo wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so eni so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma say wo agogo opposite government school no na nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282
0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Midimafo ne hwa.
Awo kan kwanhia ene operation ema moja pi free onipa ho. A doctor for be ye wa fam de bia. Na se we nya moja ni bia nsha. Onipa ni 7.9. We ebetimi ato onipa bi. Oyire wo kunu wase wakonta wo ba wunua ana wo yonku bi. Eno nti ne behia se Brano bia konfanoche blood bank ebenya moja ede asie na se bibi sei tu obi a wonya bi ede atwitwa age no enu nti Akoma 87.9 FM yane konfanoche blood bank aka abom April bosumi ne da etoso edunwotwe 18th April yenyina ye hia e wa Akoma FM yanim ha ya ya wasokwa yane kuma city mall main gate no ehwe animu ye atwi moja nkakra ne ade asie kai se mpanimfo sitietia ene botoa wodie ba medie ba
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi bisia ankoba se onipa behwere ne nkwa enam moja nti enu nti mehwe wanim se 18th April wodi wani ebekire Akoma 87.9 FM yenim ha ya na yenyina ya ka bomu aye blood donation exercise na ye fe.
Right, yebekọ yanim na yadamase se musumugusu a mode mo message se ba Evans enti no mene wo wie na
yes I me call
honorable Amo Kamela
yes honorable ba say
wo twam se no na tie ya na ka so ka no wo twam no so ofa ha kanya hwe da bia de bia pona ma aha ena ai hai ni fi ena ai bekwai MC nti ono na ye ne benya bread ye nya extended
ya me 1 minute bi na 1 minute ye beda tiefo ase se o matie ye afia no pa be sisamre ye bo awuram so me vese me chia ai offensive north former MP Akoma dan Tomalo unsa me o mi neighbor yes o mi neighbor e wo ai kwada so me ne nna ne te 5 we say na
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
nkwa wo mampon wonim nkro ni bi se eho na yikufiase wo meboa makukufiase pen kufiase wo mampon meboa ena jamas janka ja benim
yo kufiase benim mampon nso wo
nkro
ni ade nti bibia bi wo bibia bi wo apanyina afra apai ko nyina ka mampon
ho
enti no ai Asante first no
yes echameto aso
mawie
na echameto aso
enra ai
ba wonu misan gofo so ye campaign o mampon no ye mampon ko about I mean omo wo zeal omo bia aspiration bi for that no so ye campaign see say ai ni ba for moya na ye language no
okay well, yes I see material
but Akoma dan Tomalo also chia
so
all right
and you know enra say enra parambo na wo ka team a mo call mo ne minister
minister for tourism eba square interchange Eba hobe share interchange, you know. Eba share drawing. Now there's this one drawing by the fireside. Also no can one no more program no. It's your no good dinner.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Wow. With how I me designing interchange. Now so far you with design no.
I was all banning the home because they say we are a jam.
I think I came na me jam.
Okay.
Ashanti Expo Ekoso.
Yeah.
Yes, I see Monday no. Na me bo Sunday near we.
Okay.
Your best Kumasi for your best Asante man. Mumra hona mo metade me. Your best we a lot of.
Never know so afu.
I mean no, the only Ghanaian made goods bebre wo ho. They should come out in their numbers. Some be supporting. Me nyabe mana or Hot Tuesday no. He was very happy. Intimacy say obi a wo team bia onye na onfa ho. And me remember na
I abrane ni nkomo. Uja ande na ma no akọ. Eje hwe. Ye ne no an de. Se me nua teacher ni de. Ye no adwuma no de maya. Ye ni mu ye. Me teacher na adwuma wantima anye no. No onye serious. Aye. Nti MC me we teacher oh. O say aye me no say nye obi ana. Me am hwe no a. Ene de mate no a. As a teacher, the meeting,
we want him in Kabima, a chief.
I there's a walk
na me kwa.
Yeah, your
best almost said, yeah. Now, we didn't say we are also the
Medasi pa. I was here, honorable Amo Kamela, Asukwa MC now in Kano, which and also Fahana, Wachianoaka, expo no wasem at the atre. Now, the MC the ma be quite municipal. Honorable Salifu Isaka Salia. Chief Mache.
Mejo semina.
Na bibia boko de.
Nyame adama.
Ai.
Yeti mo abedu haide na kire se bibia da na kwan.
In fact, so teacher Dina de. Enkayo. Oh. Yeah, ka obi am fa hobi.
Exactly.
Na no mo se o mo mfa national service for you call military ni ho.
Yeah.
Teacher nso no. Ebi mu yadada, but omo call training colleges no na I'm saying university some education no na ya na e fa ho. Omo ntwa bi meka ho. Cause fa teaching mu a. Ye mu adwuma otimi ye.
Enukre.
Be kwai boko de.
Be kwai boko. Me anso de na me the type of a teacher. My colleagues be kan kire say wo kan kire me say odem be call US a. Me kan say my main students we this year na next year mako.
Wow.
Yes, I was somebody who had a passion for teaching.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Mami na wase ne akonya odi amame na memfa akonya iso na menchia aman hene nso a ewo bekwae mansi no mu bikura aman hene mako enso anye aman hene nso a omu ha kokofu esuminya adankraja amwafo many about 7 of them. Denya say yes. So I have about 7 paramounts. Inti anopai makoha mentuma. Yeah, matia mechacha ochia mechana nano. Yes. Kwa imanyene. Kani ahima abrumpomfo be se du near the crew. I have to say sani pa na ebo yenchidom. Ama ye mo ye duo. Ma ade bia ye kopre de abrebe kwa imansin no enya ade a eyedin e ma ye kra nti me chia wo munyina no pa
so far some by ebi mo nya 1 year.
Yeah, no I think ye nyina around May, averagely May.
Okay.
Nti we actually started work in June. Nti we are not a year yet, but I think by May all of us will be a year.
I see.
Yeah.
Nti mo bae wan kasa wo bae be kwai he na na wo baby a be free you know.
Yeah.
Na na ma to sing.
Yeah. Generally said be kwai enye too different from other parts of this country in terms of infrastructure. Automatically no eba enwomasua suku adan yewo suku ahodo bebre ewo yenkuro nketo mu a na ensem fata senkola betra ho asua de afei bekwai ye baby a yetiri ye kakra se eba na yaresa bia eye nanso nkuro no bi ene ayaresa bia kwan no ewa nti na wo se de yema ayaresa bia edi bopini wo mo nti na we still need some chip compounds afei akwan ye nkuro nkitua mu bekwai as the capital of the Bekwai municipal no de na wo hwe ya kwan no ana ya nimum akwan a ye nkuro nkitua mu fo no fa so bakro mu no akwan a ye di mfudie efa so de badwa so no na nya de ya homeka ba bi ti se kensere pampa so ba bi ti se abodom kosi dotum ekosi koniyaw afei uba kokufu ha kokufu abo so ebesi bosomtwe abigya nkwanta saa akwan yi nyina ene akwan ahodo a etisi saa akwan yi nyina no nya de ya homeka nti that is what we are concentrating on we ni ne ye de ato ya ye de ni asi so se ya pensu yi mfie nan ya de yanim yi no ye betumi aye saa akwan no nti mino kasa akwan ya mebubu odi nyina ma ye ho nkrata de aba RCC media beto regional minister anim ya ye de ho nkrata nso de wose de konkran so ye de akọ nti largely no ayarasabia chip compounds we are still building chip compounds classrooms
do you say na mo ye specific na
yeah minu ya ma mefa akonya isu na mencha o mampanyini Ewura John Dramani Mahama na ye nanu ase akonya ode amaye na menka bi nso se Ewura John Dramani Mahama na niso adi hunu ne daye mu no se ne wasi ama local governance aya kono sanse me buy me betu project a uko assembly na uko busa technocrats obi akra nim di award the contract no obi anim source of funding but Ewura John Dramani Mahama penso yi ade a waye mana ya kono ne se 5 to 7.5% ya ye dibre as DACF District Assembly Common Fund no emu wa hamu nchichimu adu wotwe ni akire odi ba assembly ama yen MMDCs ye hwe amadwumadi a wose ye didi no ye de adi na mfie mienu a abes ye wo mu sisi ayi no abanya ni so adi hunu ne se dwumadie a wo ye bedie no there are guidelines enu ntisika ye de breye no emu wo hamu nchichemu aduonunum ye de ekohye 24-hour economy market ya Ewura John Dramani Mahama bo Ghana fo ano ho ba ewo ho afei wo ba bekwa ya 24-hour economy market no ye de ekwa anwan kwanta so wo hwe indicators no a anwan kwanta is fully fit or qualified because you're busy 24/7 filling stations are available bibia indicators no wo hwe ba bia anwan kwanta wo no a ye oboase kwan ebisi ho ye nuanom mo manso so eba kumase a ombesi anwan kwanta ye nuanom obu free central region Cape Coast so ba kumase a ombesi anwan kwanta nti anwan kwanta has become a central hub mino kasai Chinese for no abie factories kakra wa anwan kwanta nti already the place is busy,
very busy
nti ye hwe mu no na wo hwe o mampanya ni to adi hunu no a na anwan kwanta na se fata se bekwa ye de 24-hour economic market.
Okay. There's a more secure land.
We have secured land, but we still have some teething problems with land. But I mean, say currently we are speaking to Utumfo on some litigations.
Okay.
Na say any dia. Do ko just say location. No, me presenting me location to the consultant. No, so far I can't me say for all Ejuma Edia man is the best location. Inti yeni nananomo egusu kasa say. Na minimise baby a yedro no de nananom de be maye ma yetumi de dwuma no afi 20% ye de call legacy project no eye project a abanda da no di sika ko hyemu na wanwie na nam se Ghana ye de sika ko hyemu no e wo se yewie Ghana man panyin ni so adi hunu papa no ebi no 20% nti me buy the first legacy project amatakal eye dining hall na yesi odenya seman SHS ya omunwie ye me ba ye ya to aso a ene me no kasa yi eguso a ye penti dan no kese ye wie dwumade no ama mofra ewo ho enye baabi atena edidi enya homeka edi asua de nti uye no free mu a 10% for sanitation, yeah, another 10% for school infrastructure, school furniture. Me no ka say oyi videos na obi hu say me wo 3-unit classroom block e wo Brosankro ya boso
Brosankro ni bi wo.
Yes, ya boso ye guso aye plaster enche bia me ma me ho boso me mienu e was a commission dan no.
How many?
3 units under the NDC chapter 1. Ye see 3 units ema the community no. Nti eba ye you know primary school nti na was 3 units no.
Anyway,
ye dika da bi we ye kg.
We kg.
Yes, we ye kg.
So project ni na no at least.
Yes. We ye kg for Dotom. Currently it is beyond this because mudi no eguso.
Wow.
We ye pictures are taking about 2 weeks in here. We ye the Nyasema SHS dining hall ye beto here.
Number 2 ye ni.
Yes. No.
Okay.
Ye ba ye no.
Renovate.
Ye renovate because na wura mu a ceiling any ho mpomo ya yahihye nyina eye new doors na ye de atum no nyina eye new.
Wow.
And wura mu a we have done the tiling and everything. Uhwe edan no achi ho no mu a yeah we so ye
we na ukasa edan achi
yeah uhwe achi a ubehu ehona na matron for offices
and
ade nyina ewo sa edan no.
Okay, I see. Back to this one. No?
Yeah.
So said we don't have now.
Yeah, this is the dining hall for
okay.
The Nyasma is
we project there.
We samre ye den chance na guso. We ye old pictures. Ewo bodoma ye ba ye no. Krona ni abrese omubesi omunya JHS and no more ntonton dan bia nkwala no etim.
Wow.
We cut sword just about in less than 4 months now. And contractor no ese dwumade no ase. Me no ka say ye den chance ye guso. Me ka say na the no your old project.
Okay.
But we samira me no ka say your boss we are ye plaster nigidi. We say we ye
Brosankro
di ni.
For primary.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
The honor more primary 1 2
yes, 1 2 3.
Okay.
And then we is 6.
Okay.
So that we have class 1
no 1 to 3 no the condition here.
NDC chapter 1
and
you see enti e dan a e krogen a e wa hoodene e kama.
Eh me na no obi ba ha ma me ka say on the speed no ano dey but we dey so bi wo mu pa.
Yeah, unfortunately me cheap compounds I feel the contractor no I started na no but makase omuntwa pictures no mre me answer because enankasa right from here I am going around with all the technocrats to supervise this work.
Okay.
Enti
can speed no.
Yeah, no can speed no.
And quality of worker saying now more consider me because the speed by more we were say then we
you know I was a radio person.
Okay.
I was the communication director, deputy communication director for Bekwai.
Okay.
And me communicating with radio so me kai normal me kasafa home about quality. And even me assume office there were projects eba manim yeah I feel me sometimes me appending signatures ma omatumi agisika and some of them I am telling you that ukohwa edan ya plaster diamond nkwala nyanko so do nsabo plaster ni mu a no nsi awote no kire wo say eni nanu verandas ayaye no wodi wa hoden tia so a wodi onan si so a wote no nsi awote no kire say eni nansa. And I have warned all my technocrats who are doing supervision say that's not the kind of work, that's not the kind of legacy in terms of quality ediana contractor wo de mame ya nti sikatwitwiri dia ye de ma wose fa sidan no uko sidan na ade e chia
10%
I am not interested in your 10%. What I'm interested in is the quality of work that we are going to do. Okay? Me call I was an agriculture student.
Okay.
So for me crop research. And the new structures that they are putting up. For example, the biotechnology lab. Yeah, World Bank, AC. The last time I went there, you feel that all the tiles, and it's shame. Because so we should come and see that no AC honor. look at the quality. So why can't we do same? And so the quality of work here, my pencil, you know, and every day, me engineer, on the supervisor, the technical part of the work, I've been warning him that make sure they do the right thing. Make sure they do the right thing. Into the concrete, the walling, and everything. Where blocks are here, see dino. Who say a blocks, papa na yedi dino. So we want to make sure say juma bia ya no. Ebe ya juma, ebe ya kono, ebe ya juma, ebe ya papa. That kind of shoddy work. Then yet say sika wo hontra na juma no ekosa. Aban di sika bre say Jennifer ya juma. Enya afi na contractor eba wo ho. Who ready first certificate, it is paid. Who do baby second certificate, the money is ready, it is paid. You do not have any reasons. I was say so. I see. And nam aban juma pa wo ye. Then this wa di hunu. No one making sure say sikano eda hontino. It was say yes shema juma no because you have no excuse.
I'm saying for Safina wa joining here. Yene Honorable Salifu Isaka Salia. MCA the man be quiet. And yene no edin komo na baby a ifri no ene baby a baby drew a project baby obetree ene baby odi baby drew ene eguso a edi ho komo ye live on Facebook nso akoma 87.9 tu betima akọ ebi a wutie ye obekwa na opese ode busa question bi a obetimi akọ Facebook akoma 87.9 fe ye be try ase ebe nya bre de amamo nso amutie na if you have any questions na also so why ewo and I check with my why na yenko yenim ewo nti chief nti wo ka we nyina no minim say the year on boreholes na no so ka juma wo sem.
Yes, 10% for rural water.
Yeah.
Nti we have awarded 10 mechanized boreholes for various communities within Bekwai. Inti samri mechanized samri baby a yedru no structures no a ye true ye drilling no awie inti ye water test unsenso no tu wi a e was a different video na hu the quality of the water enokra de by now ye awie afi na ye raise structures are the tanks no be so because I was a mechanized.
Okay, Bini.
Yes.
Okay.
Nti afi na ye ready these structures are the tanks no basis so. Na atumi store nsuo for the community.
It is good also na mo ye,
Currently we have awarded 10 of them.
10.
Yeah. I have awarded 10 of them. We are doing one at let me try and see if I can get the communities Abuoso this Abowie Enyinem.
Okay.
About 10 of them.
10 of them. That's fine. Nti much so na we.
Yeah. Baby wo ye two we. Yeah structures no.
Okay.
Baby wo so contractor no was site we started drilling no. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Nti eno de so de eno no. Nkwada no furniture no so no.
Yeah.
Are you still in the process?
Yeah, we are in the process. And friend supplier no ekasa animanimu ya in fact
mama kwara na makwan
yes
by the time we kwana nka maba
nkonwa no ayede eba no nkonwa is of good quality nti manebo no e was so kakra nti me how said almost every community school is asking for furniture nti me house is here how I met to me anya dodo a me supply for every school. Into supplier no kasa. If there is something they can do about the prices,
okay,
so that we can get yebenya bebrea bit me aso schools no a ehye yase no nyina. Nti minim say omumie school de na nkonwa no should be available a yebetumi ache e de ama emofran.
Be quiet. Agenda 111 project in the
no.
We
don't have agenda 111.
Yeah. And more hospital facilities near the end.
Hospital facilities in Bekwai, I can say okay in terms of access.
Okay.
Because your Dominancy Health Center is quite a big place, hospital, and then we know we have Bekwai Hospital, which is big, and then we have Ahmadiyya Hospital, Kokofu, and then a lot of other chip compound at Puano. Yeah, and then a chip compound at this place. I've forgotten the name. Before on the Nyankwanta stretch, Chichiwere area. We have another a chip compound, and then Amuamo is a chip.
Operational.
No, operational. Operational. So to say no, we have a chip compound. I made the call. Yene Amasia Central for share so. Omune hospital in term Wakakra. Bodoma.
Okay.
So Bodoma is lucky. We are giving Bodoma a JHS and a chip compound.
Wow.
Inti ehona ya started with the chip compound. Sisi amino say. Inti ehona omone hospital in term Kwanwa. Then next chip compound we are looking at Koneyao and then Jesse Krum area. But I'm told Jesse Krum has a chip compound. But many health director Kasana watch say we am no being home na and the status no embraso. So we are looking at also introducing laboratories into some of the chip compounds. Go baby or baby a one if you are some problem no nyakese. Nanso no enam laboratory any huntino. It was a back sim now by labs no. The health director no din komo. We are looking at some areas if we are able to get a simple laboratory equipment to support the chip compounds a bit more lifting almost status no to maybe a health center and that is what we are looking at, and all these things that I'm doing me without the technocrats. I'm always dealing with those HODs, those who are in charge of these institutions are normal form. For example, the health director is always in my office and we are always discussing what is relevant and take informed decisions from the technocrats.
I see.
Yeah.
And yes, that is that. Obispo Musa said, Aquine.
Yeah.
And that's why a major concern.
Yeah.
Bekwai.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you know, Uber a year. Uber drew Bekwai capital numua. It will seem to you say Bekwai yakwa na okay. Many even my colleagues from Manson, me know mushia or a particular meeting with the regional minister. Na ye can acquire one and a regional minister promises they have an intention say every district will get about 15 kilometers in 2026. To make I know more country me say the quiet me here quite to me farm quite and come out for there no. And I'm telling you say it's not the quiet alone that is the municipal. It is the quiet municipal captures a lot of about 100 and over 100 communities. Yeah, who be quiet capital no a no yeah, but roads are linking the hinterlands no to be quiet no is where the problems are. Until we share from Abodom down to Dotom, Subriso, Kokotro, all these roads are bad. Then you branch from Dotom to Koneyao, these are all bad roads. From Ankase down to Kensere, Bibi Omaimu, all these are bad roads. Inti yewa acquiring challenges or what I was here. Now what you answer?
Bakubia mi hu ye. Bakubia mi hu se si
yeah.
We mo ye ho adwuma.
We ye ho adwuma. We Chichiwere.
Okay.
Kokofu udru Kwasuminya udru forest no a na wa mane krobi o friend Chichiwere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is where we are now. Last week some form of breakages was so, but we have been able to fix the machines. Do second road now be hunu senia etie this is the second year ne kwa edem kama we call Chichiwere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we have a lot of other roads and Nyankwanta community roads. We've done that. As I speak, the former MP is on me. Said there is a certain road that Enra Ombeka wants and if you sometimes we go beyond our municipal. Currently, yene bosome frɛ ho share boundary.
Exactly.
Yes, all those boundary no. Recently we have been helping them. Montreal area. They are relying on now. And your machine be some of them don't also have. So around the Montreal area, yene for share boundaries. No. We have been helping them with the drip machines.
I see. And some drip machines, more than a mufuel. A question I will be about me person.
Yeah.
Some more than a mufuel because we're told to send Canesi KBDH.
Exactly.
A buyer no afi who may be a scano crown.
Yeah.
Yeah, a challenge. I may be no.
Yeah.
We are day in your municipal and now
I have been very lucky because Nananom has been very helpful. Nananom bi o mo ba na complain say ebia ye hwe kwan no a ye if we need about 50 gallons to be able to do it. Nananom beka say you for 30 gallons.
87.9.
Wow. Yes. And most of the communities they have been very helpful. So some of them will even write letters and come and tell you that okay, if it is because of fuel, then we are taking 50% of the fuel that we need to be able to use, bring the machines. And I will say, the Bekwai municipality, Nananom has been very, 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 very helpful. I am not surprised to say, you Rajon Dramani Mahamanim Diemuno, or the chieftaincy, Adiaba local government. Yeah. And I think, say, Nananom boy chidom or coins from Koso. You won't believe it, say, just a week ago, me ohano pana Suminya Mahine, Efremi. Osimenti unka, asasino, mode 24-hour economic market no. Akosi saying, my feedback, if there is anything I have to do, then I have to.
I already say, put to a bar or my buy.
I am telling you. I think I'm the luckiest.
The luckiest
I'm telling you.
In the region.
Yeah.
Go video with you, so far.
Exactly.
I am sure.
Exactly. They are supporting us. And I will share the quiet community, so I won't say ye Krodada. Na ye pese ye lifting okakra. She say Uba Central Business Center no a lot of congestion. Inti maybe my try say institutions be what to say banks no maybe unpack your cars. Inti ye boy home say ye benye baby a ye betumi construct some car parks a. Inti say Uba education court side the hono a project with IGF ya shasiye. Yeah, very soon we're going to get a place for all those institutions to park their cars. I feel one number choir a crowd dentin a quite no ye enya kese. So you have human beings competing with vehicles. Until you started constructing, maybe a constructor walkways are we have started. You can't see there and say those who are putting these containers by the roadside, Currently, we there's nothing we can do about it than to evacuate some of them from the old hospital down to the education office, Edeba, Bekwai Forestry Junction. Yes, we are constructing walkway. And I dare me then say, media video ko far so say me be shisha pavement, Minya emfa pavement in ground to so no. You see, say people are walking freely on those routes.
Clear continuously.
Yes. Some places we have been able to clear them. Some places we've given them notices to evacuate because ye say ye be shase ahye no ekopem bra ye be hye ne ya clear no be wie no na omatumi apagya wo containers so that we'll be able to continue with the work.
I see.
Yeah.
Enti market apart from 24-hour economy market mo dwadi ho nsem so to say.
Yeah. Me buy be quite market my phase 1. Be quite market me buy no.
Why be quite market?
Yes.
Phase 1.
Yes, because the common fund are yensa kan restricted. There are guidelines. Enti you have to depend on IGF for some of these things. Inti me buy rubber kwa idwom wramu a na hu the way a hosity a na ho mekani ho. About 2 weeks into the Christmas. Inti na minim say e ma no mpene edam edwadi a omudi
that time, yeah.
Yes, but the engineers also did very well. They promised me say in 2 weeks they will be able to pave that particular area no clear the place and give a very nice, because it's so market no party be. So there was nothing we could do than to ensure say pavement. And within that 2 weeks, no money idea, we were able to do it as phase 1. We want to look at the phase 2 and probably the phase 3 because it's IGF. Oh yeah, where we are in Kessia, no one yesika and Dria uncle Foka. It's Kakrabia will be to me, then you do it.
The IGF now the year.
IGF and a day a year. And apart from that, me buy me quantum soon because Chinese if no factories near de no ne care near there load nintino. You decided to construct some car park. In fact, car park and necessary free Kumasi ko Anyam Kwanta. The Nyasaman Hospital right opposite. Ube who say this car park has become very useful at generated IGF. Ube draw care no mobile juma no munya infa no money nyina are packed there. And now Anyam Kwanta lorry park so no yaman facelift kakra na saying. Ne anyi revenue ho. Say new dubia say cars no bia nyina kwan wudru ha compulsorily you have to enter the market. You have to enter the lorry park so that we at least we give you a ticket about 2 cities. And at least currently a day the assembly is generating about 1,000 cities or more. That is when we started. From the tickets alone. From the ticket, yes. Just issuing ticket to the what do you call it? The drivers alone. And what na mekasa grobi. And you're lifting hoka crabby. We want to pave the place. But before we were able to pave the place, I was here more kwine who nyina yetimi clear womo. Na yetimi emma ho nyina one platform so that we can do the pavement. And that is where we are working currently. But even before we finish with the work, it's generating a lot of money for the assembly. And the car park, we have seeded it for the zonal council. Okay. And even that, the last time I checked, they were bringing us about 5,000 cities a month. Wow. From even that is 50, and CD, almost 50% of whatever they generate from there. Some for family no. We are giving them 20%. Okay. So 50% for the Anyam Kwanta, 30% goes to the zonal council, 20% goes to the owners of the land. Wow. Our mama Kwamaya.
Chief, you are doing well. Masaba hope you for no idea. Toko Facebook live or Akoma 87.9 FM. But what they say Fatala no akacho sin suno a started to turn no so every day be hadwin. Ye debate me dia ko omo ye Fatala. Your mosquito coil and your insecticide spray. The channel so mame say I don't never bow. Spray no dear e kumwa kum. Enya mosquitoes nkwa. Ese kumpa ya dear say tefre no mone sa moya ka mu nyina no wo mu ntwamu na wo mu kra no atimi anya ahotone ade. Nti bomode say ubetimi akwakogibie ewo shop ho kwa also pe Fatala why and our friend apedo to aton 0599315600 0599315600 and your number betimi afreso na when on my din komo ewo signal cable no so me catch say eno ene the nation's cable quality ye ka ho asemo a eho hia African Diamond Cable Company Limited, they are just soon. Tibomode say obejibie. Ghana Standards Authority for Agiatum say yeah. I'm a member of Association of Ghana Industry. Now we know 100% copper. Ija, it's all the cable. They a proge television. Nese ukoye na de ko juewi na fi. Bansin kumadama. Osibe ebedu nya be hawa dwen panchise no soma me na nso so eye de e wo say nti wo kọ odan na wo ye ho adwuma no factory na wo si no project bi a wo ye bia no wires be everything for signal cable on behwe na omaye de ama kama nti jo apple number no 0543 934550 0543 934550 026545 6055. Fakua Ventures number no 0244728433. Providence Healthcare bomoding so beko yedi Easter na wie nti no sɛ ode w'ani kyerɛ hɔ na wokɔ ma yɛyɛ o checks ahodoɔ nyinaa no a ɛbɛboa paa nti bɔmmɔden sɛ ɔde w'ani bɛkyerɛ hɔ ɔmo wɔ cardiovascular monitors micro circulation breast cancer monitor ne ade nyinaa no ɔmɛhwɛ de ama internal body organs no ɔmɛhwɛ mu wadwene mu ne nipadua akɔ akoma no kidney baabi a ɔmɛhwɛ de ama wo bɛrima prostate no fa kɔ no ɔmo nhwɛ mfa ma wo spinal cord waist ne wo kɔn ne nyinaa no ɔmɛhwɛ de ma asthma anaasɛ wanya sexual infections bi ɔbaa bɛrima a wɔ ho asthma yɛ den a wɔmɔde sɛ wo ne Providence Healthcare ɛbɛnya nkitahodi kamakama asonase yɛne St. Teresa Catholic Church no hwɛ anim saa nso na Konongo so agogo station hɔ baabi a Ghana Commercial Bank no wɔ no yɛno na hwɛ anim Bogo so yɛne Krobo filling station no hwɛ anim number no yɛ 0248 422864 0248 422864 and after 0506 83 0210 ɛno ɛyɛ deɛ tie no no two issues na fei yama afrefo so abamu chief you heard two issues no one the first one mining within the municipal no abu ha yenya reports say illegal miners the kai no mokoche for omokoche China phobia was it be quiet that story me am cramming here I want to have it right but yeah and what is the situation with mining
you know the quiet and the NDC government promised the people of this country responsible cooperative mining.
Yes, and also near share anymore.
Now, responsible cooperative mining, you know, yakopa hontu mana dikasi aso daye nyame amfafia edi oyo ne kase bre the then environment minister for environment and then minister for defense. Now they were going to launch the responsible cooperative mining. Responsible cooperative mining na yedie. Na yema sanse Ghana agudie no a ehya asase no e yade obo ade de adom yen. E wo se oman no nya so mfa so. Ne kwan ya fa so eye no na de oye ne bre oman de tie ne se natural resources aban obo ade de amaye no yen yete asase so samre ye wo se ebo ho ban na esumsumso anso obo ne nkonchi ma so ene ye ne ankasa ye so. So the president promised responsible cooperative mining. And what it means is that committees at the assembly level, near take committees at assembly level, no, so levels, no, at that level, no, it will be chaired by the MMDCs. You know, you be chair those committees, you know. Now, you say, Adia, no. Number one, and saying you, Yetosumi, no, yenye no kwayim, Yetosumi and sa, Yetu amenano, Yebe kataso. Naya yeni said the beya dachi biano, assassino, ye bit to me, a dear no bio, so and I say you bit to many for was saying your free assassin. Intimi by ye no, and you need my dear Cassia, ya midi. Since ya metu is a metise, ubi or kwayimwa. And ye may buy me in central for neighbor. And una ye my blue water guards for Yamino Casay or Mubom Pempen war Sutinibia ya a war be quiet, Mansi no more, mobile. Send ye bear, oh ye, minor, own crossing soon. Na a fee as in Sasia ya say no, yet to me a catasso. Baby or honomoa. Won't me yema o kwan ma wonye because ye krom fichiri yema o kwan ma wonye intimi bae no se meti se obi wo baby ye adwuma bi a ho nte sa no a quickly no me national security boys ene ade a ide betum rika aba ho no ma behwe ma pepepeyo akoso uko me ba me peso aso uko poa no area ye o baby bebre a ya reclaim uko me Facebook wall a lands that has been reclaimed. we seize your machines and make sure you reclaim the lands before they are given back to you. A few cases are abamanimtisa. Your baby or honso. We are applying the polluter pay principle. We look for you. Sometimes why we are human okurako, but we look for you. And yenyawa, we make sure that you come back and cover the place. So the be a this human okokrom okobusa omotete empeswano so hwa.
Omo ankasa ye be quite.
Some of them are indigens.
Oh.
And as a village be a obeko na ye adwuma bi ho no. We won't say workers no ye indigens. Yes. Until we make sure that you cover up. Nka wunya pictures from my Facebook wall. Ka ube who say a lot of lands has undergone reclamation recently. And so what we are currently doing is and from time to time, NIMOS sets in. From time to time, the regional national security also comes in to help us to be able to deal with some of these issues. And currently, you're trying buying because you will not be one. She should be one. You pese ye niya kasa ye. Now so you pese you share a buying shisha ye no. Recently, but say we want to register all these miners. Then we get to know where they are working, and from time to time to gold border or mututo. A friend is a gold, no. They are also helping us to put in measures to ensure say the right thing is done. It says gold board for are even bringing MMDCs on board. And as I speak, maybe as I see my gold board for next week, I'm presenting the documents to Accra for them to come and set up a place. It will be quiet. Yeah, omu ewo emrantia kukudamwa ombeba bebu echidom ewo dwumade e say yedie ho. Nti you know gold board no aboa Ghana sem sikasem nhyehyeye. Enu nti eye na emumu no ekwan ya fasto ye tu agudie no ene ne ade a aka wo se ye nyina ye original na ye hwe se ne wo se ye na nanom
these are videos be from
yes
okay
these are reclamation. These are places that we've ensured that if you are a miner untu and amana we na wunya no ho, we make sure that you cover some of these things up so that the as I see where I am saying in no time come and then this land can be used for a lot of other purposes, and we go in and make sure that you cover up. Without that biokra minu kasa we fidie kra ya confiscate yes ho, and I say vital parts no have been removed. Until this land is reclaimed, you're not getting those parts back.
I get it. That is good. That is good. Until we are more machines out almost at the
end. And some and appeal to them say, Mata, why you juma we na say machine I would ye juma in Kataswaka crack. Maybe you one year juma bia, but it's just a matter of having the commitment to ensure say what at the end agum na in the next weeks in Unsuya here today, Obekono. I feel so any nipa who yes, Jumanoa, and Yadi Bedi nipa will be a colantimin to move into Minkotum. And that is what we are making sure that it works for the
quiet. I see. And you know, and common na Yugusua Yedi, you know, maybe a Humanaka crab, but the last one here is already a regional. Police regional command.
Yeah.
Send a boy with crime and my consul.
Yeah, I'm covered.
Yeah. You're covered.
I'm duly covered. The quiet region. So police type bia upebia ubio. And I think say you know minya any crisis on what do you call it security.
Okay.
The regional commander. At all times we talk, and from beginning of this year we've met several times to look at how best we can deal with the issues. Even on mining, I organize all the MMDCs around me, Banson, Obuasi, Amansia Central. And we all met the police hierarchy.
Okay.
And at that time, the regional command was there, the divisional command, district command, other heads, staff, those who are in charge of operations. Then we met at the beginning of the year to look at how best we can deal with the insecurity that is posed by the illegal mining. And as I speak, so it has been very helpful.
Very,
yes,
very. Said the okay, the miano. Meet me who say I aboapa. And you know, but to me room. I mean, the next maybe few minutes now in course. We are now. Afi any chief we cry na ya jakwan na yeso ya sorry ma Tony Besaba betwa so. But you be out here within the area na be our for how issue be up say o draw chief attention to. Wait my friend. 03224 98035 0243 114497. Nemo me koso aka wo se ho asembia no for ni chimo mid city dental clinic na on hwem fama o pese utu pese usi be up so your teeth cleaning, teeth whitening, be up say o your filling, o pese o your replacement, your dentures, crown, bridges and implant o pese o align o shape braces and so betimi alcohol obo ho na pampan you kasa na pampan di chimpacho corner ye manage enfama o kama no ga junction VIP parcel office then anymore na obe who make city dental clinic doctor catch us share adwuma no said yes ya no also betimi kra ya to fatum no way NT Shannon Sumami 054847 2434 054847 2434. Number betimi afre na one eno ye Mid City Dental Clinic na no medi nko but esi the number betimi afre na bibi o ha person catch chief but so draw attention bi am person born about well because there ene oba nkoma ye di say oba adwuma abi also afa hope so ka bibi kire no a obetimi afre 0322498035 0243114497. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Akoma.
Yanko pardon.
Ede yami afi. Look on our family that day.
Okay. Be quiet. MC na wa hano. Bibi a
o channel na sem. My mwana abaso. Mse jumadiye ndiye. Okasa oshe okwa ni munyamu ha. Ese ya. No bizo dia kampo.
Medasi.
Na Sajo. Na dabe na ode ye si be ba ohoromo.
Eno ye he for there. But he fa
Akoma FM 87.
Obatodwe.
Barakese.
Oh, Mba.
Medine
beba, don't worry.
Ache Sajo.
Medine beba, why?
Yes, rawa. Anabra for my.
Ne, medase. Medine beba. Oh, same bisana. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, udin baby akasa free.
Okay, again, I need to
Openi tewia.
People.
Yo, Pacho wa mintio.
Well, and then this is more coming. But you said, yeah, it is doing better.
Akoma FM
The other number thing also I would one about my family.
Yes.
That's
it. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. John.
Papa.
We give you money because of the
Ima, yes, Ima, I'm in Tio, Minia.
The person who say, I could go hospital or a mine. I wasn't in a home free, or 2 years I have time. To a man municipality can I say, come on, a good to all fair time.
What's it? I have
a mine.
Okay, yo, Mati.
And so you are no mammy wife.
That's it. I'm for last caller. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Pacho Udini baby akasa free.
You don't be Abdallah, make a few
Abdallah, Mammy.
Hey, this is board, my your treasure. This is for now, and almost no one so
okay, thank you, Chief. I'm saying, you're bringing, you know, it'll be 2 minutes.
Yeah, Obi bizarre question. Yes. Yeah, straight away, me you know, me technocrats no will go there. Once I will let you. Obi a wotu anwia will require a permit from the assembly. Okay. So I mean, so I beg permit. Uji permit no we are. Ka bia besa anwia bia no. there is a certain 20 cedis that is paid to the assembly. Inti, or catch me before I will get back to work, my engineers, atwa afa kwan no so ahwe ba bia la dwumadie no ekoso na tax bi e wo se otua de ma assembly no onye ne kwampa so I think yeah
but ode na wo katwa to
yeah de me katwa to nyina ne se yewura John Dramani Mahama wama local governance ayede MMDCs especially ye mfie no nkwa animu bia ye di tumi we amaye no ye nso hwe kese e ma ye nyina. So I will urge all my other colleagues say ye nyina ye ma ye ni na ho na ye nye adwuma no se ne wo se ye no na ye ya ene bebie akwanfoforo de amaye na masre timamufo se omummo echidom amamuo amanyesam ntraso emfa mpuntu mre ye ya amanyesam de primpuntu ba ye mpeswa so enu nti amanyesam ntraso no ye nyimfiri ho na ye mmo ye ho chidom na ye nyina bo ye ho chidom na mpuntu ba na kyerese ye nyina ye wo chefa ye nyina nso ye chefa ewom eto kakra wo si etua wo kodwom wo don ba nche ye si tua 2 cedi eno a na ye fre na IGF ye kekambo mu a ene ye de ye mpuntudwuma e wa assembly na mapenso yi no me try say wo sika bia wo tua ma me no wo behu so mfa so eno nti ye try say ye de no marketing nanu yi Easter Sunday me communities best 5 Monday me twaso program bia ni wo me mpeswa so a manko bi baby a omo ye janan bia we are donating 50 bags of cement, we are giving out 100 bags of cement to ensure say nipa sitinamu ayede to ensure say yisika kakra ye de bra assembly no as IGF no so abamfa so e de amaye nyina nti ye besre say yenko so abo MMDCs chidom na minim say yewura John Dramani Mahama say de wasi ekuta MMDCs no empuntuo no de ese obi ani
thank you. It was for any be quiet and come on now. I'm for Mudium birthday and then you shana you wish you na. Yeah, sorry, but Shannon Sumami. Say Yankupon ya domo a. Shannon Sun Yami adomo on the 18th Saturday a blood donation. Shannon Sopa Missy Moja. What say you train the bois fufro a brand new beboa ne nyina nso yenye kama na moa ye ne Akoma FM ne Konfanoche Teaching Hospital ne National Blood Service and ye de we say ba ye sure pass chief e de obehwe na nso mobilize e de abana bibia kama okay ba minye we na ma minye we nti bo ma den sa odo ani be kire mu ha ya forecourt ya Akoma FM ye ni mu ha ya ne city mo ne opposite bra na yenso so yentwi moja ne yemfa save life bi na emwaye me da say ma yenye birthdays no Rabna abna asantewa akom ene wa with a happy birthday to you but papa ene George Akom, former NPP parliamentary candidate Secretary Afram Plains also odopa antino me wish you happy birthday to you. So also that Minister Grace Darko and then with a happy birthday to you. Yamisrao. On your case, I'm found Kwadumu. Now, we through manager and Kwame so we show happy birthday. Mrs. Vida Jamina, Okasoro of Victory Abundant Church, I was here, boy. But your name with that husband, Richmond Jamina of Kwadaso. I'll see always show happy birthday. My brother Papa Yao. Asaribedi Akon, Asokwa constituency secretary for the NPP. And then with a happy birthday to you. The Summer Heart Caucus, we wish you happy birthday. Baba Yao, bra, happy birthday to you. Precious AJ, a level 100 student who are gonna SDA College of Education. Today is your birthday, Precious. Happy birthday to you from Amankwa Brights, Obing. Or SDA Agona College of Education. So wish you happy birthday. Sansuna, happy birthday to Nana Hema Efia Echia Boateng Amponsa or Amsterdam. We Nkoswa Hema at the Heart of Peace Fan Club. And then from her husband, Oma, and the members of Heart of Peace Fan Club. Or some wish you happy birthday. And I feel so I'll say happy birthday to my beautiful wife, Mame Poma Chicheku. But on an empty so I wish you happy birthday to you. And now Yankona Yendi Cassandra Boating, or your businesswoman, or bomb so behind SG Mall. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anastasia Yeboah of Honorable Steve Lotteries. I'm a come from Nanaya of Alpha Lotteries. Also, we show happy birthday. And Anastasia, happy birthday to you. And I feel and so a comedy ama Nana Efia or a ferry. Yes, Nana Efia of a ferry from Big Star DJ or say oh yeah special at the man until our show. Well, and last one I call the ama Franca, aka Abnaga Guy. Abnaga Guy who was Sufia and there woda Brakwasi as always show long life, prosperity, and happiness. Yeah, sorry, I'm a 20 best. Ababe to us so. And the chief Yadasepa. I Yana Yesha Esto. Yana Yesha mini chief na continue so boy na Yesha ho. Yaminka ho 20 best. Mapu ha. Hey, Mapo. Or this ever from the tailor no. I was here 20 best to us.
Awo kan kwanhia ene operation ema moja pi free onipa ho a doctor for beye wa fam die bia na se we nya moja ne bia nhya na onipa ne tumi hwere ne 87.9 ebetimi ato wunipa bi oyire wukunu wase wakonta woba wunua ana wo yonku bi eno nti ne behia se brano bia konfanoche blood bank ebenya moja ade asie na se bibise itu obi a wonya bi ade atwitwa age no eno nti Akoma 87.9 FM Yane Konfanoche Blood Bank Akabum April Busumi Nida Etoso Edungochi 18th April Yenina Yeshia Ewa Akoma FM Yenim Heya Yawa Sukwa Yane Kumasi City Mall Main Gate in Eshe Nimu Ye Chimo Janka Kranka near the Esie Kaisem Penenfosi Tietia and a Botua What diaba Mediaba Yebenya do
Akoma FM 87.9
Bisia and Kobaso Nipa
Akoma FM
87.9 say 18th April we do any ebechere Akoma 87.9 FM yenim heya na ye nyina ya ka bomu aye blood donation exercise na ye fe
Odo me no ne si suo enye na me be hia no bia betu me fo na watia na mogro me ho amobekọ mad yo me tie Tony Best hey watia na mogro ne ho amobekọ mad yo